a sugar high. And it's almost bedtime, so it's always good.
Go make them train some legs in the basement.
Oh yeah, that's tomorrow.
Well, that makes my chicken I'm eating seem not so appetizing.
I mean, they weren't that good.
Yeah, okay, that's enough. I know how good they were. No. Alright, so I changed some stuff on the stream. I think it's gonna turn.
Ooh. Oh, I like it.
Is the quality better? I upped the quality as well.
Damn, that looks clean.
Does the quality noticeably better or not really? You should be able to go up to 570.
The quality is probably about the same, honestly. I mean, the numbers I can still see, but they're not like super HD, if that makes sense.
I think quality's the same, but the contrast makes it look a little bit better with the black.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It looks so much cleaner.
It looks good though. I like it.
Yeah, I was just slacking, you know. What up, PGC?
Yeah, I've been in UJ cell.
Yeah, I'm thinking GJ could be cells.
Yeah, I'm holding my UJ. Gold is damn.
What's your outlook on GJ?
About gold. GJ.
Yo, what up, bud? What up, Harry? Thank you. Yeah, I actually upped the quality as well too. So I hope it looks a little bit better. I was only able to go up from 480 to 576 because the next one up was 720. So, but I figured we got an extra like 180p, so it might make it a little better. What up, King Khan? New World. What up? Who am I forgetting to tag in this? We'll tag Lakil for once. Mike, what are you thinking for GJ tonight?
I mean, so the way I have it set up right now is if this 30-minute close is bullish, I'm not entirely sure because it's kind of, the last like minute, it's kind of tanked down a couple pips here. But I originally wanted my first TP would have not the full wick fill, but it would have been about 15 pips, like 144, 430. And then I would have let the runner go another 15 for that wick fill. But if this goes bearish here, I'm going to wait like you have on there, waiting for that break, and then you put this up. Which we've only got 20 seconds here for this 30 to close, and it looks like it might flip bearish.
Yeah, I think if it goes bearish, it's going to come down to that 187. You could get like an early entry for the sells, but I just want to. I would wait for a break. What up, Iron Man?
Yeah, I'm not going to rush it. Well, it closed bullish, but it was very weak.
Yeah, it looks like it retested that 300 area.
How's it going, y'all?
Yo, what up, Omar? Hey, Sakeem. What up, David? What up, Juan? Yeah, we made a few changes tonight. Come on, guys. Every day. Killing me. You're just killing me.
You gonna wait for this 30 minutes to close? While we pick?
Hey, if I take my shoes, not to walk on the mat, why should
What up, Saya? What up, Ty? Yeah, New World. Ask away, bro. That's why we're here. All the questions you got. What did you say, Sakeem? What's going on, Mark? Yeah, man, that level's been a you know what lately. Mike, I think if we break this low, it'd be a good early entry for South tonight.
Yeah, it's basically waiting on this 30 to be bearish.
Alright, it broke. There we go, John. Thank you. Appreciate the like. That chicken was so good. I haven't had chicken in like 12 weeks, I think. What up, Worm? Johnny?
It's dropping. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, well, that 144 level is still key level, right? 144.40.
Yes, sir.
That's the weekly, right?
I just have it on the 30, but I believe it is, yes.
Yeah, that's still the key level, right? We stay below that, we go below. We stay
God damn. Mike, did you get in?
That shit just died.
No, I didn't. I was gonna wait for it to break.
Oh, break the
I was
resistance?
going into my platform to enter a trade, and then it just died. You still got time.
No, Morpheus. Yeah, if it keeps going, we'll just catch the flip on the way up.
Yeah.
If it keeps going, just let it break above 144.40 and then pull back to 144.40, right?
I mean, if it keeps dropping like this, if it doesn't drop too hard, it forms a resistance at 187. I'm gonna take a sell down to 143.900. But if it doesn't give any opportunity and it just drops all the way down to 144.90, I'm basically just gonna wait for it to stop making lower lows and for it to go bullish and then take buys back up.
Gotcha.
Because I think the monthly is gonna flip. Like if you look, we got that bullish wick that kind of pushed and the monthly was flipped for a portion of that 30-minute candle. So, I think
The monthly's gonna flip bearish.
bullish. Monthly's been bearish. It's about to go. It was bullish for a little bit of one candle today.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say it's bullish right now on mine.
Your monthly?
Yeah, the monthly is, yeah.
What? Did I not mark that up right? No way.
That's why I'm confused because we've got a long wick on the bottom and now it's bullish. Maybe it just flipped. I don't know.
Hold on. Maybe I meant weekly. Maybe I screwed up.
Weekly's bullish too. We've got the last 3 are bullish.
Oh my god, I'm way behind. I've been marking that up the whole time. Oops.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I thought this was gonna be buys today. I thought it was gonna come down. I think if we can respect this level that it's at right here, I think it'll turn and flip to be buys. But if not, if it closes below this, then it'll be sells.
I think it's gonna come back and retest 900 and then go up. Because we had such an aggressive move up, I think it never retested that level. So I think the daily is gonna pull back to either 900 or like 144.065 area. If we end up breaking through this level, and then we're gonna get the bullish move. So kind of like it's been the past couple Asian sessions where it pulls back so hard, and then we get a really nice buy opportunity. So I think the lower it goes, the better, because then we'll just have more room to take it to the upside. But I'm gonna mark up these 2 daily levels real fast. But what were you saying, Mike? I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, you're good, bro. No, I was waiting for this candle to close. The last one closed. I was going to enter because originally it was going bullish, and I was going to take a buy going up to our top wick fill there, and then I figured it was going to fall. But then this kind of just broke the low, so I'm still going to wait for this 30 to close and then kind of see what it's going to do. Because if it respects this here, it's kind of already tapped into it like 1, 2, 3. This will be the 4th tap into it. This could be the kind of retest on that zone and then to push back up to the wick fill.
Exactly. I love it. I can't wait to move because then I can get you guys I can share my screen and you guys can actually draw on the screen. So Mike, if you actually want to mark up a chart and like draw arrows on it and then send it to me, I'll pull it up and you can walk me through what you're saying. I think that would really be easier to kind of follow.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that.
If you want to. It'd be super cool if you did. So I'm going to mark up these 2 daily levels just because I'm not sure which one it's going to respect. So I'll see how it looks on the 30 and the 4 hour and kind of go from there. Yo, what up, Jan? Yo, this man's been killing it lately. He's been sending me all his charts before they happen, and man, he's just he's sniping it. I gotta stop swearing. What up, Chris? Yeah. Yep, patience and calm. Yeah. Yeah, what's up, David? We started at 5:28, Nathan. So, we hit 110 minutes. There we go. Alright, so the 4 hour broke the low of the previous, which could give us room to come down. Yeah, I'm not going to mark this level because that's going to be too old. Our most recent level is going to be here on the 4 hour. So that's a 4 hour daily level kind of mix. And then we shouldn't break down here. So if we get below this area, then I think there's a really, really good chance we're going to come back and try and tap this daily trend line and then head up. But I feel like it should go up a little more, kind of move to the right a little bit, and then come back and hit it, because then it'll kind of bounce off of, because this area looks pretty strong. So I would say if it came back and retested that trend line somewhere in here, that would be really good, because if you look, every time we kind of wicked up there, we pulled off it really aggressively. Once we got above, we wicked off of it really aggressively. Same thing here, we got near it, still kind of the same, all kind of the same area. I mean, there's no specific zone, but we hit here, we came off of it, came back into it, pulled off really hard. So I'm thinking we could see a trend line tap around here, just because this level will for sure hold us up, and then we'll be respecting the bullish structure. So if we did come down that low and break through all of this, which I don't think should happen, I think that's where we're gonna end up stopping. But we're up so high, I don't think we should be doing that. But I think we definitely need to come back down here and retest this level. So we broke it, we kind of been consolidating, we need to come back, retest, and then we have a wick to go and fill in the future, probably London or New York session. So we will see how it plays out. But if we get a 30-minute close below, I think we're going to get a really nice sell opportunity, because we did break the low of the two previous 4 hour lows, which are right here. Someone asked about the 15-minute. I think if a 15-minute closes below everything on the 15-minute time frame, so if you're going to enter on a 15-minute, you got to break the 15-minute. You got to close below the 15-minute lows. Okay, so yeah, the same lows. So yeah, if the 15-minute closes below, I think that'd be a good opportunity. I'm going to wait for a 30-minute just because I can't trade anything on the 15-minute this week, because I went 1 for 6 on the 15-minute last week. So I want to see if I get rid of that, if I can have a better week. And then if we get above here, this is actually all clean traffic till we get up to 757. So we got a wick to fill, and then we have clean traffic till we get up to there. So buys or sells above or below are going to be really, really good. So here's our plan for the evening. Right there. And that's all we got to do is wait. I think if we close bullish though, that's going to be kind of like a potential liquidity grab to then drive us further up. Because it shouldn't have came down and broke those lows like that. To not continue down to our resistance. So if it does end up going bullish and going up, that's going to be a really good sign that we should break through here and head to the upside. Nope, I did not catch USD CAD. I spelt viewers wrong. God dang it. Oh well. Is it IE? Yeah, see, it didn't give me any error when I typed it in, so oh well.
No spell check on YouTube, bro.
No, it's in the Streamlabs. There was no spell check. So
Oh, you're silly.
yeah, I figured it would have told me that, but oh well.
That was a hard pullback on that 30-minute there.
So I'm saying it could be a liquidity grab, but if we close below, I'm going to take it. I think that's going to be a really good trade.
Yeah, I agree. And if we get a 30 that's bullish, I'm going to take that as well, because now we're at the bottom support, and then we're going to go back up to the top resistance, which is still like 30, 35 pips.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because honestly, like, I mean, it's either going to A, we're going to trade the breakout of the range, or B, I'm going to trade the range right back up to the top, which I think that's where it's going to go if we don't break this.
Yeah. I didn't spell Paul wrong, Chris. Get out of here. P-A-U-L. Yeah, get out of here. No, it's spelled right on both of them, too. Get out of here with that. Damn Brits. Don't know anything.
Yes and now.
Could I send my TG link? Is that Telegram or were you trying to say IG? What's up, Next Wave? If you want the Telegram link, just message me on Instagram and I will send it. And let's just keep that quiet. Hopefully nobody else notices. Because I didn't even notice. That word always messes me up. Any E before I or I before E. Like, I never type the word viewers, so that's going to be my excuse. And explain the previous GJ sells. I will briefly go over it, but if you go back and watch the replay, there was a ton of explanation on it. But basically, wait, GJ sells. When did we take GJ sells? Do you guys remember that? GJ sells. I thought we took buys last night. Yeah, last night was buys. I don't know when we took sells. If you can tell me which day we took sells. I think that might have been Sunday we took sells. So sells, what we took is basically the same setup. We got a bearish candle at resistance. This was actually my sell today. And then we didn't, as long as we didn't break the high of this bearish candle, we were going to continue down and fill this wick. And exactly what happened, we came down, we filled that wick. So it was the same exact thing in Asian on Sunday, but it took a lot longer. So we had like 4 or 5 tiny little bullish candles, and then we had our bearish flip, and we came down real nice, about 18 pips. Currently have a GJ sell and buy on at the moment. I'd be careful with that one. We took, we took sells on Sunday. Yeah, I remember. Mitch, what's your analysis?
I'm gonna wait till it breaks below, or at least closes below 170 area, and then like I see it ranging, and I've tried one too many times to try to make something happen within a range, and so I'm trying to be patient and learn from my lessons.
I feel that. That's why I don't do the 15-minute. See if it improves anything.
But I feel like if it does break and close below that 170 area, and I think you said it earlier, like retesting around 143.900 would make a lot of sense.
Yeah, because we never retested it on the 30-minute time frame.
Yeah.
I'm sure it did on like the 5-minute and 15-minute maybe, but nothing on the 30-minute and up. So I think we should come down, tap that, and then we'll get to continue up and fill that wick. As long as this 30-minute doesn't go bullish. If it does, I kind of think I like those buys, because that would be like that'd be like a liquidity grab to go up.
Hey, Paul, I actually just sent you it on text message, my chart.
On Telegram?
I just texted it to you. You want me to do it on Telegram? I just gotta copy it from my phone now.
Yeah, I can't. I won't be able to pull it up on my phone. If you send it on Telegram, though, I can. That'd be perfect.
Okay, I got you.
Sweet.
There you go. I just put it in the group.
Perfect. Alright, so this is Mike's analysis on GJ. I think we got JR. Did you send one too?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So Mike, or this is JR's analysis. So we close below, you're looking for sells, right?
Yep.
And close above, you're looking to go fill that daily wick up there.
Yep.
I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing I have as well.
My bad, go ahead.
No, you're good. When you pulled up my chart, you can see I just have a target 1 and target 2, just to be a little bit safer.
That's nice. I like it. I think target 2 is definitely could have happened, for sure.
I feel like recently I've just been like up, like I said, like 8, 9, 10 pips, and then it would just reverse. So if I can just take profit at target 1, that's still, even at an entry like right here, that's still like 15 pips.
Yeah.
Which if this closes bullish, I'm gonna take the buys.
Yeah. Oh, I just got your text message.
Yeah, it's the same thing, but yeah.
Yeah. What up, Mary? How's it going? Oh, I forgot to put when we switched to 1080p on there.
It looks good.
Yeah, I changed the quality, but I don't know if it looks any better. Mike said it looks about the same.
Yeah, I think it looks better as a whole though, just because of everything else on there. It makes it look like clean.
Yeah.
But just the numbers are a little bit harder. Like I've got 2 screens up, so I've got my desktop where I got the trading, and then I've got this on my Mac. But the numbers are just a little bit blurry. That's all.
Yeah.
Not that you can't read them. I mean, if anybody has a problem with reading them, that's on them. But I can read it perfectly.
Okay, I mean, it looks a little. Oh, let me turn up my 480. Oh, it only lets me. Oh, that's why. Because so I changed the quality to 570, but the next thing above 480 is 720. So it's not gonna change anything.
The only thing that's going to screw this trade right now for a buy, Paul, is our stop loss is going to have to be big because of that long wick now. Which, whatever that is, whether that had to grab orders to continue going up or stop hunt, or I don't know what that was, but you know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't know what that candle's doing. If it goes bullish, hopefully it doesn't rocket all the way up and close above, because there's not going to be anything for me there, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But if it closes like this, maybe a little higher, I don't know.
It's currently like right at the 15-minute.
So if it breaks above 144,300, your 4-hour turns bullish.
That flips it?
Yeah, flips it back up to the upside, and for me it's hard to figure out. You've got on the 4-hour a higher high and a lower low. So like, how do you interpret that?
Yeah. To be honest, the safest thing would just be wait for it to break or wait for this to turn bullish on a 30-minute.
Yeah. I would it's just, for it to push down and break all those lows, especially with Asian session, it just doesn't, I feel like you don't get too many liquidity grabs in Asian session. What up, Doug? If we grab a buy, does SL below that liquidity? If you take the entry, Orgo, I would say definitely put your stop loss below the wick, just in case it kind of runs back down that wick. So just to be safe, that would be the best bet.
That's the only problem right now, because if we do that and this closes bullish, I mean, you're looking at like over an 18 pip stop at that point.
Yeah, that would really drop your lot size.
Yeah.
And if it's 4-hour indecision, I would go with the trend on the upper time frames, right? If you're indecisive on the 4-hour, just look at your higher time frame, go to your daily and your weekly. What's the trend on those charts? That would be my determining factor.
Gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
I would as well, but we just had so much bullish momentum. That's the only thing. Like, is it going to come down to, because that extremely large bullish candle that we had like four hours ago, that's the only thing. Is it going to come back down to retest retest that area, like you said, call it 143,900.
But if the moment, every time it's tried to drop, though, it's dropped, it's gone and dropped less than the time before, right? So higher lows.
Yep.
So that tells me again that momentum is still to the top side. So if we get to that 44.40 again, which who knows if you do, you break it eventually, right? Like we always talk about.
Yep.
Because momentum's going to push it. If
Yeah.
momentum stays.
You're right. Yeah, I think we need to come down a little bit first, though, looking at the daily, because the only thing stopping the daily is that 30-minute kind of range we had. But that's kind of irrelevant to me because there wasn't really a session going on, so that's just kind of the market ranging. That's not really making a significant level. So I think the daily should pull down more, and then stop here at like the daily 4 hour, and then we should be able to create a good support and go up.
Yeah, the higher time frames are going to always, most of the time they're going to win out with the shorter time frames are kind of, a mixture. The higher time frame, what do you call it, uptrend or downtrend is always going to win out most of the time.
Yeah.
Trade in the direction of the higher time frame trend.
100%. Yeah. So yeah, I would prefer to hold buys if we got down to that 942. But I think short term, those sells would be really, really nice because it's super, super pretty traffic going down. So, and it's about 25 pips as well. How's everyone doing today? Did we have a good, what is it? Is it Wednesday today? Or is it Thursday?
Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday? Okay.
My day was good. How was yours?
It was really good. We went and scheduled our insurance and health test today, this morning. So, yeah, and then did some work, did some YouTube stuff, knocked on some doors, went to the gym, normal day for me.
Sounds like a productive day.
Kinda, yeah. Felt a little tired earlier, but I made some espresso, so I feel a little better. No, Jafar, the screen's not being shared yet. That'll be happening on the 2nd, as long as my desktop can handle it, which I think it should. I think it's just the internet that can't handle it, to be honest. Ooh, up to 148. There we go. Yep, that's exactly what I was thinking, Iron Man, is we might have to swing down, grab momentum, or find a strong enough support to hold the price up on the daily to then continue up. Honestly, I think if this one closes bearish above the resistance, above the support, that would still be a good trade because it broke the lows, so we should just continue and fill the wick.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say, because I feel like if we don't take this 30, the next 30 is going to rock it down and we're not going to be able to get an entry.
Yeah, let me check the news. Would you not count that level at 144.07 on hour 4 candle bodies? I'll check that in a second, Carl. Alright, Wednesday, what do we got? Let me refresh. We got, that was 9 a.m. Yeah, 6:30, we got AUD news. JPY at 550. Okay, so that already happened. That's good.
Yeah, that 550 didn't really do anything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Unless it was that wick. You know what I'm saying?
What?
Unless that 550 news was just that wick right there. That could be the only thing I can think of.
Could have been, yeah.
It was only a yellow flag or a yellow folder, but still.
Yeah, could have just. Never know. Could have been. So yeah, we just got AUD and AUD at 6:30, and JPY at 10:30. So we should be good on GJ. I don't think AUD should affect GJ, but I'm not sure.
The really good trade on the GJ would be a clean break of the 144.40, right? A break above and then a pullback, because then you have a lot of room to the top side.
Yeah, if we,
break it and then pull back. That would be the cleanest trade.
for buys, yeah, for sure.
Definitely.
Yeah, but I think these short-term sells would be a real nice quick scalp as well.
Right. I'm saying if it doesn't drop and it just goes up,
Yeah.
and then it breaks that and then pulls back, because you have a lot of room after that, a lot of black area to say for the next resistance level.
Exactly. Yeah, I think what were you saying?
That's the cleanest, I would say.
Yeah, buys definitely would make the most sense, but I think it was Monday. There were phenomenal sells, and my bias was too strong for buys, and a lot of us missed those sells. So I'm gonna be more open-minded with both directions, but I still, since it will kind of be counter trend at a higher time frame, I'm not going to be looking to grab as many pips as I would be if I were trading with the trend. Yeah, Wu-Tango, I've been, I wasn't in there today, but I was there Monday and Tuesday in the stream as well. So yeah, I get on there with them most mornings.
The other thought I had was, since this kind of had that big wick down, it's going to just come down, find that support again, and then continue up. That would be the only thing, is if it gets stuck right here, then we all get in sells, and then it just pulls right back up on the next candle.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, I'm almost waiting, like, I need this 30 to actually break below this level, because it has been decently strong.
Yeah, I think
we are on that uptrend.
yeah, I think a break is going to be our best bet. I just got to stay patient. So let's just wait for that break. I think that'll be our best trade. Then we're not getting any early entries and sitting through any nonsense. Took 12 trades. Okay. Yep. Yeah, that's kind of the idea. The Forex fams got Asian, New York, and London sessions, so we're kind of hitting everything. That was the plan initially, and so far so good. Yeah, I think it's gonna, waiting for a break black box is gonna be the best thing because of how bullish it was. That's why I think these sells would be nice coming down, just because it had such a strong bullish move. And if you look, we kind of made we got our high, and then we made a low below here. Now we got a higher low, so we should come and get a lower low down to that level. Just gonna depend how we close. Music is so stressful. This music is stressful? No, Omar, I only trade GJ and that is all. Computer's going real slow right now. Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, if it respects this area right here, I think we're going to break here. So whenever these candles happen on GJ, so price came down, it kind of pulled back up, so the next one's going to pull up, probably a good chance that it pulls above, which is fine. and then it's going to find that resistance there and then come back down. It does that on the 15 and the 30 a lot.
And on gold, Omar, I would say gold is the same thing, right? We're at that 62 level. That's been where we've been trying to hit above. If we get a clean break above 62, then 68, 82 come into play. So
Yeah.
gold is the same thing. DJ, we're waiting for a break of a major resistance level.
Yeah, Omar's in here too, so.
Oh, okay, I gotcha.
What up, Keo? Jan, Raja pops on occasionally. I don't know if he's coming tonight. I think he's pretty busy with the...
Does that make sense, Omar? Maybe.
What up, Hassan? What up, Keo? I'm good. So yeah, I trade Asian session, and then if I trade London, I don't trade New York. If I don't trade London, I trade New York. So. Almost up to 150. There we go. Make sure we're pressing that like and subscribe button, please. The more you do, the sooner we will get to that $500 giveaway. I extended it to March 1st, so that will be about 1 month after we switch over to 1080p and start pulling up some charts. So, but that'll be the furthest extension we make. So if we can't hit it by then we'll just kind of not do the giveaway and keep chugging along till we get there. So the more you guys share it and post it up, better chance we have of 5 people getting $100.
I'm gonna go take a Monty coffee break. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, yeah, I'm running another coffee too. But you see what I'm saying on this candle, guys? So this is kind of doing exactly of like the analogy I like to use. So price kind of came down. Oh, this is lagging so hard. And then price came up. Right? And then the next candle. So our most recent was going up. So price went up. And respected the resistance above, like it just did. And it should continue back down. So it's kind of like a half pipe. I'm not going to draw it. It's lagging really bad today. But I think as long as we respect that like to that 300 level area, we should continue down to 942. Yeah, no trades yet, Nathan. So Gurjat, what I did basically was I went out on the daily time frame. Damn, Forex Factory is still loading. Jeez. Why is the internet so slow today? Jesus Christ. Oh, this is taking forever.
Hey, Paul, you see how much USD CAD went up when the news hit this morning?
Yeah, I saw that. Rakil and them all took that. Yeah. So with that trend line on the daily, I basically just touched all these wicks over here. And so I think if we come down, this is a really heavy liquidity area. And then otherwise it could stop kind of right around here. Jeez, this thing is... Wow. Okay then. I don't know why we're lagging so bad today. This is ridiculous. $144, $120. Well, I already switched off the daily. So you're talking about right here? 144. You said 120. 144, 120. Yeah, I mean, I have it marked down here. So these two candles, I just see that as a fake out on the daily. And this wick didn't really come down. I mean, it kind of hit it. But like I said, if we don't break below, then it's going to be irrelevant anyway. But this stopped here. This one kind of faked out above and came back down. This wick went up and tapped right there, so I marked the 942 area instead. Because it'd be two zones way too close to each other, and that just didn't make any visual sense to me. Because if we come down, that 30-minute came up real nice on the 30-minute, so we should do the same thing and come down real nice till about here. Jesus. It is lagging real bad today. Wow. Might be because I upped the quality a little bit, which I shouldn't have, because it doesn't even change it anyway. I wonder if I can change it down real quick. Probably not. I think it can go both ways right now, Keo. It just gotta depend which levels we break. If we break down, we're gonna get some bearish movement. If we break up, we're gonna continue the bullish movement. Yeah, I can't change the setting right now. Darn it. Oh wait, can I? Nope, okay. Oh well, we'll just deal with the lag on my end. Osama, so the levels are color coordinated based on the time frames. So black lines, where's my little list? I lost my little list. Black lines, if you see a thick black line, that's a monthly level. A thick orange line is weekly. The thick blue lines are daily. And then the thin purple lines, or if you see boxes, the outer ring will be the level. So this is a daily level, and then a 4-hour kind of like wick area zone. It's purple, and then pink is 30-minute. And if I mark it hourly, that is a thin, like kind of navy blue line. Yep, so Gurjat, if it does break down, you have clean candles right here. But if we break above right here, we actually have, I'm not going to zoom out right now, it's really laggy on my end. But we actually have clean traffic on the 30-minute time frame up to 7:57. So we also have this wick to fill that's about halfway. So either way, we got a nice trade coming either way. We just gotta wait on it. Purple day, orange. Nope. So black is monthly, orange is weekly. Blue is daily. Purple's 4 hour. 1 hour is like a gray navy blue. And then pink is the 30-minute. I'm looking to see if the trade will break through. I look for closes of the candles above or below the previous closes, wherever the zone is marked, and go off of that. Yeah. Man, you guys must have pressed the like button or something. We jumped up to 172. That's awesome. Pin the line description in drop down box. Yeah, I think I can add that. I'll put it in the description. I'll do that right now, actually, while we wait. So I got 17 minutes. Yeah, it's a good idea. Thank you. Then I don't have to explain it every time. Because I think I have said that every single time, at least a couple times. Yep. Yeah, I'm about to do that right now. See, it's a good thing you guys are here.
And all we're doing, guys, is we're trying to trade the highest probability trades possible, right?
Yes, sir.
No one can be sure what the market's going to do, but you can make the chances better of a higher probability trade by trading around those zones that Paul's talking about.
Yep, that's my thought process as well.
Because right now it's in the middle, right? You're in the middle. You're kind of in no man's land.
Yep.
So you lessen your likelihood of a winning trade when you trade not around major support or resistance levels. I'm not saying it can't work, but you lessen your probability.
Exactly, and that's all trading is probabilities.
My Air Force commander always used to say, all I want's an unfair advantage. And that's all we want, right?
Yeah, we want to give ourselves the best opportunity.
Right, and those happen around those major support or resistance levels, whether it's a 15-minute, a 1 hour, or 4 hour. But when you trade in the middle of no man's land, you're lessening your probability.
Yeah, that thing's gonna go.
Good question, Paul.
Yo.
So if we look at the 15-minute, there's the candle, the bearish candle that left a huge wick.
Yep.
So, do you think, or does it always work that it left a huge wick and then the other two candles filled that wick? Does that always work, or that's just random?
Typically, it works more than it doesn't work. You just need to make sure. So the reason it's working this time is because this wicked down below all of this, and it was bearish, and we're kind of got a 30-minute trend coming down. So yeah, but it usually does, in the correct circumstances, it does work. Like this one kind of did that, but it just didn't fill yet. So eventually when we close above here, this wick will then be filled as well.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, so if you guys look at the 15-minute real quick, sorry, there's not much of a bottom wick. So I think waiting for the 30-minute on this one is going to be the best opportunity for this one. What were you saying, Gustavo?
Oh, I was just saying, thank you for that explanation.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to drop the quality back to 480 because it's making my computer too slow. And it didn't even change the quality for you guys. Because I put it up to 570, but the next level up is 720. So, all I did was slow my computer down. How many likes do we got so far? Did we break 100 even? Up to 170, there we go. At 63, okay. 120 pip stop. Nope. I'm not on board with that, Lucifer. GJ1 man. Yeah, if you're gonna do that, I'll send you my PayPal. You can just give me your money. Don't give it to the market. I'll put it to better use. Yeah, 170 people. I think we can get 150 likes tonight, especially when we get this winning trade. Yep. Yeah, so the previous 15-minute broke below. Now we need this 15-minute to hold below. And I have my Instagram down here on the right over here. So if you guys post anything up about the stream or your winning trade or anything, you can tag me as well. Yeah, look at Forex Factor's been loading for... Since I went to it last time, it's been loading. I'm gonna close it down because that might speed things up a little bit. Yeah, even the music's lagging in the background.
Hey, Paul, I'm gonna say one more thing, then I'm done for the night.
Yeah, no, you're good. It's good conversation. You don't have to be done for the night by any means.
Hey, so the other thing that I learned a long time ago too is let the market come to you. Don't chase the market. You have to be a hunter, right?
Yep.
So a lion is one of the fiercest predators in the animal kingdom, but a lion has very small stamina. They cannot run full speed for a long time, so they let the prey come as close as they can to them before they strike. So don't ever chase the market. Let the market come to you based on your guidelines that you have to have. Don't chase it.
I like that. That's a good analogy.
If it doesn't come to you, don't take a trade. The best trade is sometimes no trade. So if you go through this stream tonight and you have no trade, that's okay.
Yeah.
But it means you didn't chase the market and you were disciplined.
Exactly, and that's how you end up being consistently profitable in the long run, is being disciplined.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
I sit there sometimes and I say, I know what you're trying to do to me, market. I know what you're trying to do, and I'm not going to be suckered into what you're trying to do to me.
Yep. Yeah.
What's happening, and I'm just going to wait.
Yep. Yeah, because the market's not trying to beat you. It's not in a competition with you. It's just, it's going to tell you the information that you want to see. You just got to be disciplined enough to wait for it to tell you or to not tell you.
Right, but it'll also eat you alive if you don't do, it doesn't care about your feelings at all.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Obama. How's it going, Felipe?
One of my favorite people in the world always says, facts don't care about your feelings. One of my favorite commentators. Facts just don't care, and neither does the market. So be emotionless.
Yeah, but we care about your feelings, so that's why you're here.
I'm going to ask my wife when she gets home here in a few minutes if she does. Sometimes she cares.
About your feelings?
I appreciate you guys caring about my feelings.
Oh, I didn't say you. I just meant everyone.
I gotcha.
Yeah.
Man, jeez, dang. So hopefully she'll care about us.
Someone's got to. It's a rough life.
My 5 kids don't care.
Oh, I'm sure they do. Music is not necessary. Well, Francis, I have heard otherwise from almost everyone else in the stream. So unless you get a nice petition going with 80% of the viewers, 85, it's going to have to stay. I can turn it down if it's too loud. If it's louder than me, I can turn it down. But if it's kind of just faintly in the background, that's what I'm going for. Yeah, Watango, the stream is hogging 110% of the bandwidth, and having that up, having MT4 up, and TradingView is really Just taking everything we got. Keep the music. Yeah, I kind of like it because then when I run out of stuff to talk about and I'm done repeating myself for a couple minutes, it doesn't get too awkward. Yeah, and there's AUD news as well.
Alright, I'm back. Got some espresso and a little latte here.
There we go. Yeah, on that bougie stuff lately.
Yes, sir. Ready to get some tips now.
Yep.
I'm almost tempted to put a little sell stop on this thing.
It's up to you. Funnier, make it a hair faint louder or a hair faint quieter? Yeah. So we're up to 177 now. That's awesome. Let's keep pressing that like so we can get up to 500 and give away some money.
I feel like we're on a TV show right now.
Yeah, well, I mean, when new people join, I have to like say all my stuff over again. So,
I know.
you know, like if 20 more people join, yeah.
You should make a video like Raja with all the rules and stuff.
Yeah, it's not
Just help me watch that damn video, dude.
I haven't even watched it.
That's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
I haven't either. That's what I'm saying. I mean, he has to say it every day, like, hey, why don't you guys go watch the video? And I mean, it's a quick way to it's a quick scapegoat so that way people don't keep annoying you with the same damn questions, but at the same time, nobody's gonna watch the video. That's
Yeah.
true.
I just want to be able to give away this money. I think it'd be pretty cool. We could basically fund a brand new account for 5 new traders or give 5 experienced traders an extra $100 to take their significant other on a date or do something. But
Yeah, I mean, if you're really looking to get rid of it, Paul, I can just send you my Venmo. That's cool.
Get us to 500 viewers then. Yep.
I'm trying, bro. I probably brought on 15 people onto this stream.
There we go. Now we just need 29 more to hit 200. We got
Yep.
I think we peaked at 199. So
Oh, is that what we hit?
yeah, that's our highest, 199.
Today, or that was when Raja came on, right?
That was when he came on quick. We got pips in about 2 minutes and then he got off. And then about 45 minutes later we jumped up to 199.
Hey, Paul, mine's $200, right? I committed 200.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna up it to 400 if you get it done.
400.
Yeah, so 200 a piece instead of 100. No more than that though. I'm gonna up it to 200 a piece.
Man, look at that.
I want Paul to be successful, folks.
Yeah, that's amazing, man.
So what is the giveaway at then? Is it at 700 then? Right?
And Paul, you just tell me when I need to send it and who I need to send it to when, and I'll do that.
Okay. I was thinking we'd do like $100 for each winner, so then we would. So you were doing 200, now you're doing.
You make the rules. I'm just giving you the money.
Okay, you're doing 400 now total, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we're up to $700. Okay. Wow. Well, shit. If
And
YouTube.
I guess I'm Obama.
Yeah. So Obama has now upped his.
There you go. President Obama still giving you guys stuff.
That's awesome. So yeah, tweet it out, Instagram it out. You got till March 1st to hit 500 viewers. Watch it just jump up to 500 in like a half hour. So if you guys don't want to post it up and share it, the next best way to get it out there is pressing that like and subscribe button. Four minutes. Damn, I cannot spell today,
Right.
apparently.
And you still didn't break the low of the previous 30.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about it breaking the low. I just want to see us close below, because then I would just expect us to finish filling the wick.
As far as the body closing below, what is that? Like 186.
Well, yep, 187 is what I got, but yep. Yeah.
Those dudes are really close.
Yeah. Nathan, I will be reviewing charts, yes. I just don't have the internet bandwidth, so I actually have to add it to the screen as well. But February 2nd, we will be in 1080p, and I'll have the internet capability to pull up charts real fast and flip to different charts and all that kind of stuff. But if you just saw how long it took me to flip to the daily time frame, that's why I'm not doing it just yet. But yes, we will be pulling up charts in, it'll be not this coming Sunday, but the following Sunday. We will be moved in with our internet and be ready to rock in 1080, which is super exciting for me. Have my own little personal office. Yeah, I think we got up to 188 just now. Thinker line, oof. Yeah, thicker line, there we go. Nice and thick. There we go. Thank you, Jan, for correcting me on my spelling yet again today. Let's not make a habit of it, though. But yeah, about a week and a half, and we will better quality. We'll be able to be more interactive and flip through charts and whatnot. So we are almost there.
So Paul, you're saying if you want to see this close below that 187 mark for a sell?
Yes, sir. 100%.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at too.
Yeah. If not, it's just gonna range around till it does something.
Yep. Well, we got a minute left, so we'll see.
Is this Pikachu kid talking to me? Or is he talking to someone in the chat? Yeah, I don't know if he's talking to me or not.
He's talking to me.
Oh, he's talking to you?
Yeah, we've been going at it all day.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's coming in here to troll me.
Yeah, let's keep that out. I can definitely keep that out.
Yeah, I just blocked it.
He's been at Black Box Trading stream all day.
Kids like that are a joke. Oh, wow.
Holy smokes.
I would just ban him, Paul.
Yeah, if he doesn't show, that's what'll happen.
Just go to Black Box's stream. He's been on there for 15 hours saying what a great trader he is. Just ban him.
We'll see if he stops.
Whoa, what a pullback there. Holy cow.
Yeah, just gotta be patient. It's gonna bounce around in this range. That's all I was saying. We gotta wait. Otherwise, we will be stuck in some really uncomfortable trades for sure.
Yeah, that AUD news had to have affected this a little bit because AUD just shot up like 50 pips.
Oh, is that was 630? Oh, it is 630. Okay, yeah. So that could have been why we just got that. Okay, that makes sense.
Oh, damn. Oh, yeah, GA just tanked.
I feel all right. Yeah.
Oh, he's been on Black Box stream for more than 2 hours. He's been on Black Box stream since 9 o'clock this morning. It's almost 6 o'clock here, so he's been on Black Box stream for about 15 hours.
Alright. So if I press
He was the one that
block,
was doing it in Wix Don't Lie stream too.
if you block this person, you won't be able to see their messages. Well, I don't know if that's just blocking it for me or if it's.
What is this guy saying? Watch your mentor get scared? Like, dude, you're a joke.
Yeah.
He did the same thing on Woods Don't Lie stream, guys. You all know this. We had this conversation with him a few months ago.
Oh, I don't remember that at all. He should. Is it? Can you guys see his messages, or did it just block it for me? I don't even know. I don't even know how to properly ban yet. I don't know if I do that on here.
Like, I don't mind if people talk stuff and say stuff, but just at least back your shit up every once in a while. Like, have verifiable proof that what you're saying is true, and you never will.
Maybe I have to go to YouTube to do that. I think I do. Cause yeah, I'm trying to do it on Streamlabs. It's just it blocked his messages from me seeing them, but I don't know if that blocked it from everyone.
Everyone can block him. You can go to your own thing and you can block him.
Okay, I think I probably just blocked him personally.
So I'm not their mentor, Pikachu. I know you like to throw shit against the wall. I'm not their mentor. This is not my stream. I'm here to support Paul. So I'm going to be positive and try and help Paul. So you can throw your shit against the wall all you want. Not going to do it.
Should I put user in timeout, hide user on this channel? How do I just ban?
Hide user and put him in timeout.
Well, there's no ban option. That's retarded. Alright, well, can't see his messages now, so, oh well. Yeah, so, yeah, we're definitely not going to tolerate any of that in here, so, if anyone else feels the need to do that, you can just leave, or not be allowed to chat, so that's kind of up to you. We're just here to make Asian Session less boring, and maybe learn a thing or two, maybe win some money, have some fun. That's about it. I'm definitely not involved or want to be a part of any drama.
He's just looking for a little rise. Probably got nothing better to do, so he's trying to get on here and stir the pot. That's all. That's what everyone does, man. It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
People who try to harm others from doing good are just fucking cruel, man. I don't get it.
Yeah. Yeah. So I blocked his messages. Did it block it for all you guys as well?
Yeah, it says messages deleted.
Okay, and he can't. If he comments again, let me know. Then I'll have to go play with settings afterwards.
We're all here to learn and grow. I'm here to learn a different strategy that you guys do. We're all here to learn and grow.
Yeah,
so
I mean,
if you can't be positive, then get the out.
Yeah, I'm here to learn too. Crap. I mean, if I make a mistake, I'm gonna learn from it too. If someone sees something I don't, I'll learn from that as well too. So even I learn here too, which is cool.
You got a good start, man. You've got a good start to your stream, and we're just all here to support you.
Well, that's awesome. That is just awesome.
And we're gonna come to Wisconsin one of these days.
Oh, I've already talked to the whole private group. Once everyone is doing it full time, we're gonna do some sort of meetup, fly people out, and just.
Let's go to Florida, though.
I'm down.
New Orleans.
I'm down for Florida.
Honestly, anywhere would be cool. As long as we can meet up and trade, just talk
South
about
Carolina, Myrtle Beach.
We can do it.
Oh, yeah.
We'll do it everywhere. I'm down.
I get comped in Vegas. I get everything comped in Vegas. If you want to do it in Vegas, I can do that.
Vegas is fun. That's for sure.
Yeah. We can rent Lambos for like $600 a day, bro. Let's do it.
Then we can take pictures and post it on Instagram and say how good of traders we
I was
are.
just gonna say that. I'm like, you can take pictures, but make sure you get it back to the rental car company quickly.
Yeah.
Oh, the
Have
cloud was
serious
crazy.
fees.
Dude, this stream would go to 20,000, dude.
Yeah. See, that's what I find funny. Like, if you look at my Instagram, you look at Ted's Instagram, you look at Rakil's Instagram, and you look at Monty's Instagram, do you see anything flashy on any of them? Not a single thing. You see pictures of me working out and my trades.
Flashy on mine?
No, yours either. Yours either. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I feel like that's how you can tell is when you look at their Instagram. If you see Lambos and penthouses and jewelry and diamonds, like, are they taking the picture because they actually won trades, or are they taking it to sign you up and take your money?
Sign you up. I had a 2008 Mustang Cobra, the baddest car I've ever had, and that was cool, but I'm over it. I don't need that.
Yeah. I want to get a Shelby GT, but that's realistic. That's like
Oh,
49,000.
fun.
Yeah, that's only 49,000. I mean, granted, like that's a lot, but that's still a realistic car for a normal and a
But that's
barely.
the only car, Paul. I've had a Camaro SS in 2010, and that 2008 GT 500 Cobra. That is the only car where I didn't feel like I had control of it when I punched the gas. That thing was loose.
Gotcha. Hey, Rodrigo,
Oh
you
my
should be able to
God.
see the time. You can actually see the time right up above where my Instagram is. The quality's probably not good enough to actually read it yet, but once we switch, you'll be able to. And you should have your own chart up in front of you, as well as a clock. So, I'm not going to change the whole layout, because you should have a chart in front of you that you're marking up and kind of learning on your own.
Paul, let me ask you a question here. Say this 30-minute close is bullish, but with no bottom wick like it has now.
Mhm.
What does that mean if this one doesn't have a no bottom wick?
That there's no more sellers.
Okay, that's what I kind of figured.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's up to them, Kurt. If someone wants me
Damn,
to.
it's flying a little bit.
Yeah. Are you in here? Did Kurt come in?
Yes. No, this is Stepner.
Oh, okay. Some people grew up not having anything, so if some of them stunt. Oh, yeah, no, I'm not saying they can't stunt by any means. I'm just saying if you're looking for a mentor and all they post is that flashy stuff to kind of entice you on like a get rich quick, I would just maybe gather some more information. But I mean, definitely, if people want to post their nice stuff, like I have nothing against it. Like, all I post is workout stuff. So like, am I bragging about like what I look like? No, I just like posting it. So it's probably the same thing with them, for some of them. But if you're looking for someone to teach you something, is what I'm saying. Maybe just get a little more information on that. What up, MB? Yeah, I do have a mentorship. I just don't advertise it because I only want to mentor specific people that are passionate about this and actually want to learn. So, Orgo, I think it can go either way right now. So I'm just gonna wait for it to break up or break down. Yeah, Kurt, I don't know why you're not in the Zoom call, bro. You should be in here chatting.
How'd you guys do
I
this morning?
posted to brag.
I did good. I caught sales really late. I had a meeting with my new job I had to go do in the morning, so I didn't get to do London or New York, but I did get a trade at like, I think it was like 11:30 in the afternoon. I caught these sells right here.
Nice.
So yeah, I caught this bearish. After this bearish candle, I took a sell and I wrote it down for the wick fill. It was about, I think I took 16 and 18 pips. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. No, if you're interested, just message me on Instagram. It's on the bottom right.
Hey, Paul, and I want to throw a shout out to Black Box too, because he does a really good job. So people should follow him on Instagram as well.
Yeah. Yeah, he's super knowledgeable too.
We have to promote good people.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I let him come in. Yeah, that's why I let him and you and certain people come in here that aren't in my group or Rakil's group. Just because if you can provide value, that's why I want you on here to talk.
And people are adults. That's what people don't understand. Like, you have a private group that you charge money for, and great, more power to you. I also have a private group, but what these haters don't understand is they think you're not adults. They think that you don't have to make a decision for yourself whether or not these people provide value.
Yeah.
You know, and it's like, good gracious, why don't you just go to Paul and see if what he's asking or what he's giving you and charging you is some value to you.
Yeah,
But they don't think that they should be able to make that decision, and it's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, everyone has opinions, and I mean, if someone doesn't like it, I mean, that's their opinion. That's not going to hurt my feelings.
Right. And I've got news for everybody. Everyone has a private group for the most part of the trades.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone does. It's up to you to decide whether or not they have value.
Yep. Yeah.
Everyone does it.
So, yeah, David, I think it's okay. If you're doing something cool and you wanna, if you got to like ride in a Lambo or something cool like that for just like your family, or you just rented it for like a day or a week or whatever, like yeah, post some pictures. That's dope. Like you said, but using that to market is where I think becomes an issue. Noah, Instagram's bottom right. I don't know if I got to you. Orgo, I'm not sure. Just gonna wait on a breakout. It's nighttime for me, MB, but good morning to you. I missed one. Yeah, Brandon, if you want a copy, you definitely can, but you're not gonna learn anything or be able to do it on your own. So if myself or Raja or Monty ever stop streaming, you're kind of right where you started with not knowing how to trade. So I would maybe just decide on that before you do anything. So Orgo, in Asian session, movements are a lot slower. So if you get a trade, you could have to sit through some pullback. It could take a half hour, hour and a half to actually drop and give you the move. So Asian session's a lot slower. You just got to be really patient. London and New York move really quick. So you should, if you enter on a 30-minute, you should be able to hit your target within, I don't know, sometimes it's like a minute, sometimes 30. Just kind of depends on the volume where it's at. I started with Raja, I think it was 6 or 7 months ago, something like that, 5, 6, 7 months ago. My group actually kind of joined with his group. They're still separate, but we sometimes do like Zooms and stuff together, just to kind of benefit more people, essentially. I mean, so, but I've been trading overall for, we'll be coming up on 2 years in the next couple months.
What's the most pips you ever caught in the trade?
Jesus. I don't know, like 40 or 50. Oh, and I caught a news trade, but I don't trade news anymore. So if you count the news trade, I caught, it was like 80 and then 100 pips in about a second on some NZD news, but I don't trade news anymore because that's not a good idea. I use the simulator 3 to 4 times a week normally, but I put a lot of time into just back testing the trades I took. So like I post up my wins and losses. I don't really analyze the losses on Instagram, which I probably should. I just don't put the time in, even though like I said I should. But I do analyze them a lot on my own time.
So which one you think is better, back testing or a simulator?
Both. You gotta do both.
Okay. Yeah, I was thinking about. I seen Trey Monty. I seen that he trying to get people to get a simulator, and I was thinking about it.
Yeah, definitely. If you post in the free Telegram, I guarantee there's someone in there that'll do it with you. Actually, I think if Mitch is still here, he was looking to get one. So I'll put you two together. Yeah.
Alright, fuck it.
Yeah, you guys connect up on Instagram and you guys can split that. Gurjat.
Yeah. Mitch?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Yeah, Gurjat, I'm planning on occasionally bringing in new people to ask questions and do stuff like that, yeah. But not too often, because it is kind of like one of the perks of being in my group or Rakil's group is you get to be on here and chat. And if I just bring people in for free, that kind of makes the people who did pay for either course or mentorship, like they didn't really pay for anything special.
Yeah, that's totally unfair.
Yeah. I mean, life's not fair, but I try to.
Amen to that.
I try to not.
You have to protect those people, Paul. You're doing the right thing.
Yeah, but occasionally I think we can definitely do that. Maybe in the next, I don't know, if we hit that 500 viewer count, we'll bring a couple people on for like a week. We'll bring on like 5 or 10 people from the chat.
We'll bring Pikachu on.
No, we won't. No, we will not. I will not be streaming if we do that.
You can take that night off and I'll have fun with it.
Yeah, do that on your own time, bro. You know the rules.
Yeah, I have a lot of time.
Gotta practice. I don't know what you're asking if is good practice, but simulator is phenomenal practice. Backtesting, just looking at the charts and how they react to different levels is a great way as well. And reviewing your charts is also, I think you should be doing all three. How would you go about journaling? So I'm more of a visual learner, so I mark up my charts like I do on Instagram, and then I print out my losers and I set them in front of me when I trade. So then I have that reminder of, this is where you screwed up. Do you want to feel like that again, kind of thing? And it puts me off to trying to take an unnecessary trade that I wouldn't normally take. But I know people who write down in notebooks, stuff like that.
Who's that dude that was talking last night? He was saying some good stuff. I forgot what exactly he was talking about. He was talking about trading. You know what? Let me bring it back.
That was black. Yeah, that was
exactly what he said.
Yeah, that was Black Box.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, he's super intelligent. He's been trading for a really long time. He's definitely a good person to talk to.
What's his Oh, okay. I seen him. He was typing in the chat a lot. Okay, Black Box.
Yep.
You didn't have him on the Zoom?
He pops on occasionally.
Okay, Black Box Trader.
I think that's his name on Instagram. His logo should be like a black box.
Okay, yeah, okay, that's him.
Thank you. Hey, mute your mic.
Jack, how long you been lifting consistently, Paul?
How long have I been what?
Have you been lifting consistently?
Almost 4 years.
Yes.
I think. Been about 4 years.
I know that shit's not easy to stay disciplined, man. I always hear you talk about you're gonna go eat.
Yeah, I'm either going to eat or go to the bathroom every 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. Hey, who's ever got...
mic is that?
Yeah, man.
Outside.
If you got background noise, mute your mics, please. You can talk, but when you're done talking, just mute it. Yeah, next wave. We'll probably, we'll give I'll give as many people as I can the opportunity to come in once we hit that 500 viewer. We'll have a week where we bring on 10 people from the chat, and they can be in the Zoom for the whole session, and then we'll pick 10 different people every single day for the whole week of the stream. So
yeah, you could probably pick one person, let them mark up a chart or some shit.
Yeah.
And then you have them on.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We could have them mark up a chart and then kind of maybe correct it if we need to, or give some tips. Get like some free one-on-one coaching for a session. Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah. And everybody could contribute, even the viewers.
Mhm. See, look at you just popping out here giving knowledge.
Good. This is what I wish I had early in my journey.
Yeah.
I had to pay for a lot of shit. I had to buy a lot of books and watch hella videos.
Mhm. Yeah, no problem, Wave.
It wasn't easy.
Did you get your internet squared away?
Yeah, it seems like it's a little faster, but I still need a computer. Maybe it's my computer.
That could be it.
My internet on my phone is working faster.
Yeah, Henry, that sounds like a rough night. Sounds like you needed a bottle of wine after that. But yeah, Kurt, I would say maybe clear up your computer. Maybe there's just too much junk on it. Like you need some more room.
All right.
Like some more space. That might be it. Or just go to Walmart and buy like a $180 laptop if you can.
Yeah, I was just thinking about that. Like, what's a good brand? I'm thinking like I should get like a gaming laptop or something.
If you're gonna do that, if you're gonna get like a nice laptop, don't get a laptop. Get like a desktop and a monitor. That would be better and probably be cheaper.
I was thinking about spending like $500 maybe.
Yeah, I mean, I bought my desktop or my like desktop tower was only $270, and it works pretty well.
Okay. What brand do you recommend?
I would check out Lenovo. It's been pretty. It's the I have the Idea Center one, and it actually came with a pretty decent graphics card. Already installed, which was pretty cool. I didn't even know about it right away.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
Philip.
have to, talk to you later about that. Get some more details.
Yeah, we can get into that later. We can once I end the stream, we normally chat for like 5 or 10 minutes, so we can get into all that after, for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna look into that.
Yeah.
I think we're waiting for a breakdown on GJ. Someone asked in the chat. We're waiting for a break up above 144.40.
Yeah.
So we're not doing any. We get one or the other.
Yep. Yeah. Break up or down. It's too.
It's too choppy right now. There's just not
Yeah.
enough.
I would say. I mean, I do have a bullish bias, but that doesn't mean we're not going to get a nice break below and get a nice sell.
Right.
So we just
And I've
gotta
got
wait.
bullish bias too because of all the higher time frames. So I'm bullish.
Exactly.
So if I get a break above 144.40 and a pullback, I'm gone.
Exactly.
I think it's at least going to retest that low.
I agree. I think we're going to 942.
So, Paul,
Yo, what up?
so seeing as this is a signal group,
No, buddy. This is
when
not
are we
Signal
buying?
Group.
When are we selling?
Um,
You call it, buddy.
You could buy and sell whenever you want,
yep,
as long as you got enough money in your account.
yeah.
Tell me when, and I'll press the sell button right now.
Well,
You
if
need
I'm waiting on that, buddy, I wouldn't recommend.
to, you need
I'll
to,
be trading, buddy.
you need to stop trolling there, Dallas.
Sorry. I got it all out of my system now.
Yeah, no, Kurt.
We're
Dallas
serious traders.
has been with me since I think he was my second person I ever started to mentor. So
You
he
got all your trolling out in 1 minute.
he's super nice.
I'm a serious fellow.
He's super nice. You can't. He doesn't. It's pretty quick for him. We used to work together, and that was always fun.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Here we go.
It takes me like 8 hours a day.
Yeah,
So
I
you
don't
do what, 8 hours a day?
to get your
Yeah,
trolling out.
Trolling out.
Yeah. Yeah. Got up to 187 today. Not bad. That's pretty good for a Wednesday. We got one more day in the week.
I entered a sell on at 270. Got my take profit at the bottom of that bottom wick.
Nice.
So far in profit.
Nice. What made you take that entry? Was it because it wasn't breaking above 300?
Yeah, it wasn't breaking above. The 4-hour bullish candle was kind of weak compared to the bearish one previous. 1 hour, 30 minute, 15, okay, not 15. 1 hour and 30 are pretty bearish too, and the previous 15, had no bottom wick, and it tried to push up, and it didn't break any sort of resistance.
Mm-hmm.
I'll mark up my chart after I get out of the trade and send it to you guys.
Gotcha.
I took a cat sell.
Yeah, hopefully this doesn't break all the way down. That would really suck. Yeah, Ryan, my original mentor I had when I started, he highly encouraged me to demo first. So I demoed for 3 days. I won one trade, and then I started live trading because I thought I knew what I was doing.
Do it.
And turns out I didn't. And I emptied lots of smaller accounts. Probably blew like $100 account like 5 or 6, maybe 7 times.
It's a totally different mindset, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know anything about risk. I didn't know anything about probabilities. I was just trying to make money, and it did not work. But
not even just risk, just your mental, right?
yeah, oh yeah, my mental was terrible back then too. I was such a negative person. So yeah, I think this is gonna be a nice trade once we get below. It's gonna be real nice. I'm gonna go grab some coffee, and hopefully it doesn't take the trade without us.
Oh yeah, everyone do a coffee run.
No, not yet. Don't do it. Yep, yeah, Gurja. Once we...
I've told you the story before, though. We used to just trade off the 4 hour. If we didn't get a setup on a 4 hour, we'd come back 4 hours later. Or if we did get a setup, we'd take the setup and not even look at the charts for another 4 hours.
Yeah.
Just because we wanted to get used to not staring at the charts all day. Because the longer you stare at the charts, the more you're going to mess with your trading.
Yeah, Orgo, if you think it's happening now, go for it. I'm content with missing the move. So, if you're not, jump in. I'll be right back.
You guys get coffee, I'm getting my Mountain Dew kickstart. So.
Oh boy.
and maybe an Adderall.
Mountain Dew Kickstart.
I have to pop an Adderall. Yeah, Kickstarts are crazy. But for me, it does the opposite because caffeine is supposed to really get you hyped up, right? No one's here. But for me, because I'm ADHD and I take medication for ADHD, it actually is a stimulant, and a stimulant has the opposite effect.
Same here.
So I take it at night so I can actually come down and go to sleep, which is weird.
Coffee will make me crash.
Yep, me too. But that's because you probably I take Adderall twice a day, and I have to get, if I don't take a stimulant at the end of the night, I can't go to sleep.
I used to take Adderall. I stopped. I don't like the side effects.
Well, I was getting my master's degree, so I had to have Adderall because I had papers every day that were just insane.
I hear you. Trust me. I'm probably gonna have to go back and get it because I'm planning on going back to college. So
I take like a month ago when I played golf with my dad and my brothers in Vegas. I took 2 of them because I had to focus. I had to kick their ass. So I'm like, I'm popping 2. I'm popping 2 this morning.
And then I almost got hooked on them shits too. That's another reason I stopped.
It's legalized speed.
Pretty much.
Let's just be honest, that's what it is. But I never thought 2 stimulants until I started studying psychology. I never thought 2 stimulants would actually cancel themselves out. It's crazy.
Huh? What are we talking about?
What's your major in?
I have a master's degree in clinical psychology.
Oh shit. That's what's up.
So that's why this is my last year of trading, because I'm going to start my own practice.
Yeah, Keo, there's a little bit of a delay.
Makes sense. Hope everything go right for you. Everything should go right for you.
But I have a son that's 10 years old that is really ADHD and a little bit autistic. Greatest kid in the world. But having to deal with him, it kind of made me go back to school to understand how to deal with him. And so I want to help other people.
I'm listening.
So I'll be starting my practice next year. That's why this is my last year. Been doing it for 17 years.
Nice.
Trading, this is it.
You've been trading for 17 years?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
So, but it's time for a new chapter.
How many years?
17.
Yikes. I mean, that's awesome.
Yes.
No, that is awesome. Sorry, I'm being stupid.
Oh, you're good, man.
Alright, I closed at 9.5 pips. I'm up at the chart.
But I had to go through some counseling myself. My wife and I went through a pretty rough time a few years ago, and we had to do some counseling. So I definitely want to pay that forward because I learned a lot.
Counseling is super important. Yeah, she closed as we broke.
Oh, we broke.
We went to our first marriage counseling session, and get this, the first line she said to us, and I love my wife to death, and I had made mistakes. The first thing that she said to us in this counseling session, she had met with my wife for 2 months before we met all together. She said, "I'm preparing you for your next relationship and your next marriage." I'm like, "What the heck are you talking about? Like, I'm here to work on it. I'm here to work on this. And if 8 to 10 sessions it's not working, then maybe say that. That's your lead in line."
Yeah.
That relationship is going to be a new relationship.
Yeah,
Come on, baby.
I don't want a new relationship. I want a relationship with my wife I've been married to for 16 years.
Yeah, I took cells, guys. I'm in at 152.
152?
Yep.
I'm going to wait till it breaks that wick. Oh, it's about to break the wick.
Yeah, it's gonna go. There we go.
Going up or down?
It's going down.
That shit tanking.
Yep, I'm at 20 pips already in between my
Nobody
positions.
gets
Great.
Nobody get
Come on, baby. Give me that 10 and then I'm out.
20 more moves.
Oh, there's 10.
What's your target, Paul?
I just closed 20 pips. I'm at break even. I'm gonna target 942.
How long was that? Like 30 seconds, Paul?
Yeah, I just
Yeah,
closed
break even now.
20 pips. My runner is at about 8, pulling back. Hopefully it doesn't pull back too far and stop me out. But I'm at break even. So if it does, I put 3 positions in today. So
Yeah, I got it too.
I think we are heading down to 942. Dallas, you closed at a really, really rough time.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it tested the 170, 175 area like 3 different times, so I was kind of unsure, so I decided to close it. Because, dude, this whole past week, there's been like 3 or 4 times where I'm like 10 pips in profit, and it pulls back, and that's when it gets me. So I'm trying not to let greed,
Yeah,
my
I
trading
pull
style. So
back.
it's better to take a little bit than hope for a lot every time. Because I hope for a lot every time, That's not really healthy.
Come on, baby. Break that 10 pip mark.
Patience pays. Good job, guys.
If it
Well
falls,
said, Dallas.
Dallas, yeah, that's good though, cause that's what's working for you. So you continue that.
yep. And
Because
let's,
sometimes I do get like 20, 30 pips, but like
yeah.
I can't count on that happening every time.
Yeah, it's just really stalling at 10 right now. Oh, there we go.
But just do what Paul did. Open 3 positions, take 2 out, and leave 1 runner.
Yeah, I closed
No matter
closed 2 at 10 and
Broker, I'm unable to open more than 1 position right now.
Oh.
It's really I mean on what's it called, the fake account, what's it called, demo. I could open as many positions as I want, but like the real account is a different story,
Yeah. Just break, if you can, break them down and always trade multiple contracts if you can.
I mean, that's the goal.
yeah, it keeps stalling
To
at
learn
10.
this real account thing.
Yeah. It needs
But
to
if
just
you usually trade the dollar account, just break it into 2 50-cent accounts, 50-cent contracts, and close one and then one break even like Paul did.
I'm trading 1 cent.
Damn, did you guys get on the cell?
Yep,
Yes,
you
sir.
missed it,
Did
bro.
you?
Yes, sir.
Ah, somebody fucking called me. And I had to get on a damn call for the business, bro. I'm pissed.
There's more. There's more.
Yeah, we'll get buys up.
Don't,
I had
don't
this
feel any
set
FOMO.
up like perfectly.
It's a legit double top.
Don't let it get to you though, man. There's more coming. You ready
Way
for the
more
next
coming.
Yeah,
So much
man.
traffic down there.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
it just keeps stalling at 10 pips.
950. And then 650.
I gotta look at a chart.
Yeah, I closed my half and I'm letting the other runner break even.
Yeah.
At what time did that original push take happen? That's what I've been waiting on for the last 2-3 days.
7, yeah. I closed 10 and 10, and I want the runner to go down to that target, but
143.91 is really good support on the 1 hour from January 21st, yesterday. It was
yeah.
a high yesterday.
It just keeps stalling at that 10 pip mark.
It should push down to 143.91.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I'm real pissed I missed that move.
You had a phone call?
Yeah, man. Somebody called me. I'm doing a wholesale clothing deal right now, and I've been waiting for this damn call all day, and then he just calls right when the candle closes.
You sure it wasn't your broker calling you so you couldn't get into a trade?
Quick 10 pips. I gotta get you on the phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if you got him where Dallas got, you probably could have got 30
I'm
pips.
gonna call you right now so you can't take it.
Come on, just go down to like 12 pips, and I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, that pissed me off. Oh, well, we'll get
Nice call.
Good job, Paul.
Yo, Mike, you said a wholesale?
Yeah, man, I do wholesale clothing for different fitness brands and different supplement brands and gyms and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, you meant like real estate. Let me talk to you after the Zoom.
Hey, and gold's going up too, so it's good for you guys. It's good for me.
Yep.
Yeah, gold will go up.
Yeah, it'd be nice if GJ would just fucking die already.
I know, right?
Man, it's just been sitting at 8-9 pips for a minute. It has not broke 10. Come
I've
on.
got gold buy down at 15.48. 5 of them down at 15.48. So
Gotcha. Yeah, so if you guys took this trade, you should have got 10 pips already. You should have secured something. If you have anything left on the table, it should be at break even. No questions asked. You don't want to risk what you just won in about a second. 30 seconds. We'll say 30 seconds. But I think I'm gonna try to let my runner go to 942. I might get impatient and close it before.
Paul, and every 10 pips it goes down, move your stop again.
Exactly. If you're gonna let it run because you think it's gonna break 942,
just move your stop. Every
move your
5
stop.
pips, move it.
Yep. Exactly.
That's when it gets fun, when you have no-brainer trades you make a lot of money on and you don't care what it does.
Yeah. Yeah. But if you guys caught the trade, you liked it, make sure you press the like button. If you want to share it on Instagram and tag me, that is in the bottom right as well.
Does anybody do trailing stops?
I do.
Well, how do you set them up? I mean, I know how to mechanically set them up, but like, how do you position them? Like 10 pips away or what?
So I do mainly gold, so I can explain to you how I would do it on gold.
That's fine.
So when I get up $4 or $5 on gold, my stop goes to break even.
Okay.
When I get up $8 to $10 on gold, my stop goes to plus 2 or 3. And the higher it goes in my favor, I just keep moving it up.
Okay.
I book profits and then I move it up. So you have to determine for yourself what you are comfortable with booking the profits, and then I just move it up, and then the market has to take me out.
Yeah. My main concern is the retracement. I don't want to get it too close and have it retrace and keep moving in my direction.
Yeah,
I
would.
Let's say that 62 is 1562 on gold is it breaks above that, right? Let's say you have a buy at 1554. I'm going to place my stop still below that 62 because I don't want it to do, like you said, come back, touch that 62, or even go a little bit below, and then do another leg up.
Yep.
So I'm going to place it $2 below that, $3 below that, because I know that it will come down, spike down. There will be a bunch of retail traders that go short, right? And then it will pop up. Because how many times does that happen to all of us?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I would say just go ahead.
Below those major levels still.
Yeah, always keep it above or below your most recent support or resistance is kind of what I would say.
Or your swing high or your swing low, right?
Mm-hmm. Or that if you're holding it that long.
I just keep moving it.
Damn, this 5 minutes going bullish. I don't like it. It needs to flip back.
I mean, I have buys on gold from 1479 that I've moved. So.
Yeah, looks like 5 minutes trying to find some resistance, but I don't want it to come back and tap out my runner. That would suck.
Yeah, I feel like this is still going to go. If it broke like that heavy, wouldn't you think it would just retrace off a little bit after it broke, kind of like a retest, and then continue to fall?
Yeah, it's kind of retest around 160, 170, 180.
Hey, Paul, we should do that one day. We should do that, how to place those stops and move them up. We should do that one day.
I'm down. We could start the stream early or go later one day and go over that. I'd be down.
Yeah, we can do that. I'd be willing to help you guys do that.
Yeah. See, this I just don't want it to retrace too hard because then it's going to take my runner out. And my runner's in at 152. So I wanted to... I wanted to...
like 10 pips.
Yeah, I wanted to continue down. Because I'm only up... It's at 7 pips right now, but I wanted to get to our target.
Leave it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm leaving it. This is why I like to place 2 orders. Like, if I'm doing a standard, I'm going to place 250s, and I close 150, I secured it. The rest is just extra.
That's the king, right? That's the king talking?
Yep.
Yeah.
I love you, brother. I love you, man. I do, brother. I love you, man.
I appreciate you too, bro. Yeah, it does help me a lot. I watch what you do every day. It helps me a lot.
You're a good dude.
Yeah, that's why he's in here. Yeah, so 5 minute close with some rejection, it looks like. So I'm hoping I'm hoping this 5 minute will turn around and we'll continue down in this 30 minute. Would be ideal. I don't have the chat up right now, so if you guys are talking, here, I'll pull it up on my laptop.
Sakim, did you see the picture I posted today that said, my t-shirt that said, get over it, and then my next t-shirt right next to it that says, not today. Nope, not today.
No, that's it.
Yeah, I got 2 t-shirts sitting right next to each other that says, get over it, and then it's one that says, nope, not today. I like it.
Damn, 5 minute broke the high. No.
I closed everything.
Yeah, I mean, I put 3 positions in, so I secured. Yeah, I secured everything. This is 100% extra, but I want my runner to go to target for once. I never hold.
Man, don't worry about it.
I never hold my runner to target. That's what I'm trying to get better at. But I can't get better at holding it to target if it stops me out. You know what I'm saying?
No, you're good at that.
Yeah,
you know what you want, and you just stick to your rules. You know what you want.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, Hassan. I already entered and exited, so I just got my runner in.
I feel like this could be a good re-entry point though, if we can find some resistance to fall again, because I don't see it coming back into that zone.
No, it's the 5 minutes kind of bounced.
144.03 a level 2 though.
If you look at the 5 minute, we're kind of bouncing off of that wick. So I'm hoping that's going to be as high as we go, and we're going to start to go down soon.
But isn't 144.03 like a 1 hour or 4 hour previous resistance now support?
I'm not sure. I don't have. I only have the 30 minute. Come on, 5 minute flip.
I think that number makes sense.
Yeah, I mean the 5 minute looks like it's bouncing off of.
I'm gonna look.
Of this wick right here, so I'm hoping that will kind of be our retest. We'll continue down to here, and then we'll kind of react to that level down there. Because we shouldn't pull back up into the level. We just had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles kind of say we don't want to go up. We had one candle give us a range to the downside. I think once this 5 minute flips and breaks the low, it's going to get another little 5-6 pip move.
If you look at the 4 hour, and it looks like it's around January 16th, this is a level of previous resistance that now support. It looks like it's around January 16th. I'm trying to do this on my phone.
Okay. Yeah, I'll check it out in a minute. I'm kind of just watching this.
So it's January 17th at 8 o'clock. January 17th at 8 o'clock. There was a high of 144.05 area on the 4 hour.
Okay.
So that might be why you're running into a little bit of rejection here.
Okay.
You guys see that?
5 minute flip.
4 hour?
Yeah.
5 minute flip. If we break the low, it's gonna pop down again.
Yeah.
I want this 30 minute to do the whole move.
I have my stop loss at 170, so above this 30 minute candle.
Yeah, mine is at 152. So my stop loss is like right here.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's been real and it's been fun. I'll catch y'all tomorrow.
Nah, you
Hi,
can't
man.
just be taking your profits and leaving, bro.
It's not crazy, bro.
Come on, 5 minute. Break that low, baby. Break that low.
Alright guys,
There we
good luck.
go.
I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Yep,
Have a
seriously.
good one.
Yep, it's gonna head to target right now. 5 minute broke the low. We should be good.
Hey, Carlos.
Not closed.
Nice.
Carlos, that's me on gold. Carlos sent a message on chat. That's me, Carlos Ironman. You were saying the guy on gold. That's me. In the private chat on Zoom.
Come on, 5 minute. Let's see what you got.
Mm.
Oh, there we go. Ooh, there it is. How's she popping? Alright, I'm closing it. I closed it at 11.9.
Beautiful.
So I'm out of the trade. I made about 4% on these trades.
Good job, man.
Woo! I saw like 1.2 or something like that.
No, I don't think price is moving up. I think price is going down. Yep, well, we should reach target, Philip. I think it looks good. Just be careful with the 15 minute close. You might get a little pullback. But I think the 5 minute resistance should hold because it bounced off that wick pretty aggressively. And I think it should be good. So, if you caught the trade, make sure you press that like button so we can get some more money made tomorrow and get some more people in here. Hopefully get that $700 giveaway going. And feel free to tag me on Instagram as well if you made some money. Nice job, Philip. 4% a day could change your life in a couple months. Yep.
4% a year could change your life. You don't. What do you get? 1%, 2% at a bank a year?
Yeah, you get 1% at a bank in a year.
Get 1% a day.
Yeah, I just made 4% in 5 minutes.
No, I know.
You know.
I always just say, if you look at my bank account, there's not a lot of money in my bank account because guess where all my money goes after bills into my trading account because the bank's a waste of time. They're a Ponzi scheme.
Yep.
They lend money out. They lend money out, make a bunch of money, and they charge fees.
Yeah, I would invest it.
But they lend the money out.
Yeah, I'd be investing.
They made my money. My money works for me. I don't work for my money.
It's my money, and I want it now. Call JG Wentworth, 877 cash now.
That's right. You're going to be getting all those now too. It's tax season, right? You're going to be getting all those commercials again.
That's why it's very important to be around, put yourself in a circle of like-minded people.
Yep.
Yeah. Make your money work for you. I mean, it makes no sense to keep it in a bank. No sense at all.
You're right.
Yeah, exactly, Sam. It's a good. I actually called this trade with my eyes closed, guys. So I don't know if we made money. I haven't opened my eyes. So hopefully you guys made money, cause.
Are you flipping coins again?
Yeah, I flipped a coin and then I closed my eyes and I said buy or sell.
Damn you all.
And we've been really lucky for the past 3 weeks. We were probably at like 75-80% win rate. So.
Yeah, that's luck.
So yeah, I mean, I'm just really lucky.
Yep.
You're right, Sam.
Lucky in life.
Yep. Yeah, I know you're making a joke because of people from the other day. So I was just going along with it.
Just remember, in the more words of Taylor Swift, haters are gonna hate, players are gonna play.
Yeah, if you don't have haters, you're not doing it right. Yep. You gotta have haters if you're doing it right. Yep.
Tay-Tay will lead you in the right direction.
Oh, we normally bump to some Tay-Tay in Zoom before we start the stream. Before the stream goes up. 3 likes from 100. Come on, guys. We just made 15 pips in 2 minutes. I think we can get 3 likes in 1 minute.
Whenever I have to make a decision in life, I always ask Taylor Swift.
Yeah. Yeah. Whenever you feel like quitting, just listen to Begin Again. You'll be ready to go.
Yeah.
Yep.
Or listen to her Victoria's Secret song, the Victoria's Secret fashion show. That was pretty good.
Yeah. Nice job, Jeremy. 20 pips. Nice. You must have got in on those wicks. That was nice. That was good. That was good confidence on taking that trade up there. That was nice. 4 hours actually at a supply zone right now. Expecting it to drop and test the demand. Yep. Yeah, Max. So I think we should fall to 942. We should not pull back up into the zone. So if your stops are above there, you should be safe.
Y'all have a good night.
Yep. See you later, Iron Man. Thanks for coming. See you tomorrow. Yep. Thank you, Black Box. We had to wait a minute, but it happened. Yep, no problem. Philip. Paul, you didn't put risk to her. Well, yeah, sorry, Hassan. It happened so fast. Like, as soon as I pressed sell, it fell 10 pips. I closed, and then I just had a runner. So I will mark up what I had originally. So I got in right here at I got in actually at 152, so I got in right there, and I had my stop right at the tip of the wick because I was very confident we weren't going to come up that high at all, but I still wanted it to be at least at the same height, just in terms of the lot size I was going to take. And then I had, initially my target was 947, but we kind of stalled at 10 pips for a long time. So once it popped to 12, I closed right there. So that was my trade. So yeah, average monthly percentage growth. There's not really an average. I'd have to do some math, but it's. Last week was a losing week. I started Sunday at minus 32% last week, or the week before. I don't remember which one. I think it was last week. And I actually ended the week at minus 4%. And mind you, I took a loss every single day that week. So if that doesn't tell you how important risk management is, I don't know what will. Because the fact that I went down so much just in one day on Sunday to then bring it back to minus 4%. And it wasn't even a perfect week. It was like a pretty bad week. I went like 1 for 2 or 2 for 1 pretty much every day. So I took a loss every day and still ended up making 28% back. And I didn't change lot size. I didn't risk anything else. I didn't shoot for bigger targets. I didn't hit anything over like 15 pips last week. But monthly, I'd have to crunch some numbers, but it
Crunch those numbers.
it's enough. I mean, it helps with bills, so that's what's important. But last week was not a winning week for me.
So you're on a trading plan, definitely.
Yeah. I'm not gonna say, oh, I make thousands every week. I mean, I didn't have a winning week last week. The week before that and before that, I definitely had winning weeks. But last week was not one of those weeks. Sunday really messed me up. I think I went 0 for 3. And because they were all like 4, 5, 6 pip stop losses, my lot sizes were a lot bigger from like what my risk plan told me I could use. And it just kicked me in the butt. But to go from minus 32 to minus 4 and not have a perfect week was pretty eye-opening for me, that's for sure. So
That's awesome.
yeah. Yeah, we love you too, Philip. Thanks for coming. Oh, we hit 100. Thanks for the 100 likes. I'm assuming the 2 likes are people who missed the trade. So Mike, it's okay that you disliked the video. That's fine.
Yeah, it just rejected off of Fib. That's what it is. I know you don't trade Fib, but that's what happened.
Yeah, there's I think there was a daily level up there. I didn't want to mark, but I think it should get through it.
But this is actually the second time it rejected.
I think it's gonna get through it. I think it's just kind of bouncing off it right now.
Good.
Yeah. Yep. See you tomorrow, Jan.
I hope so. Let me look on the higher time frame. This is the first time looking at the chart today. After like going in.
Yeah.
I mean the higher time frames look good, so I think it's just going to be a little bit rough, but I think it's going to get back down to that zone to retest.
Yeah. It didn't retest yet. It has to come down. So. I mean,
that's what I'm saying. Once it comes down, that.
Yeah. If you get a bullish candle down there though, those buys are gonna be nasty.
That's what I'm honestly waiting.
Oh man.
I would wait on that, Mike. That'll be a better trade than the sells.
Yep.
But this, if you look on a 4-hour, it looks like a cup formation.
Did you say a cup formation?
Yeah, you know the teacup? You ever heard of that pattern?
That's a joke, right?
That's a bullish pattern.
I hope that's a joke.
No, it's a serious pattern. Yeah.
No.
If you Google it, it's called a teacup pattern. I see it in a few books.
Oh no, I'm not gonna be teaching you any teacup patterns. We're gonna be.
No, I came for the price action trade.
Yeah.
We're teaching money patterns in this stream.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah.
If you want teacups and unicorn patterns, Kurt, we might have to talk about some things. But I thought that was a joke. I honestly thought that was a joke. I didn't know that was a real thing.
I've been reading books and it's like I've been seeing this pattern.
Oh,
it's
that's
a possible bullish pattern.
That's interesting. Yeah, thanks, Orgo. It was it played out. It worked out nice today. See you later, Thomason.
Yeah, we don't need to talk about that.
That's good. It's more confluence.
Yeah, that's true. Patterns. If you use patterns with price action being your most important thing, I think that'd be good. A cup handle pattern.
And we form support right now on a 4-hour. Form support on the resistance. So this is about to be in the support, possibly, or we can come back down. Who knows? But I'm still a beginner trader.
Yep. Yeah.
I see what he's saying though on the 4-hour, how it kind of tapped in. If you look to the left with all those wicks.
Yeah.
This is where the turn could be.
Yeah, I mean once you get a bullish candle.
I use Fibonacci as well. So.
Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, I see you. Yeah. Yeah. If we get a bullish candle there, that's gonna be a real nice trade because then we're gonna come up and probably go try and fill that wick or at least get up to the resistance area for sure.
Yeah, this could be that overall retest that we needed back down, finding that support, and now we're gonna turn bullish to pass that wick even.
Yeah, I just think it's gonna come lower because of the daily. So if you look on the daily, this is gonna be like a stronger level that it should come to. But we'll see. It could definitely turn here. I just think this is the most recent level it kind of broke above. So I think it should come back and hit this level. But we'll see what happens.
Yeah, I don't know though because the daily is kind of tapping into those wicks to the left as well. This could be that that previous resistance and now support to continue up on the next daily.
Yeah, I'll mark it just so we have a visual.
Yeah, the daily's overall bullish. You see, we formed they tapped up twice at 141 double bottom.
Yeah,
so
I see
that big push on January 22nd is bullish. And then boom, we got today is a little bearish. But if we get a next push, we can ride anywhere up to like 145, 128.
Yeah, buys from here would be a really, really nice trade.
Yeah, buys from here. Our first target would be where I had the original, like 144 or 430.
Exactly. And then we got the wick fill up to 600.
Based upon the daily, right?
Yep.
Yeah, because I see it too. That makes me want to take profit, to tell you the truth.
Yeah, that's why I closed at 12, because it was just it should have fell down straight to 942. But we'll see.
Daily tapped twice at 142.8. And then we had a big push. So I think we're going up. It's bullish overall.
Yep.
But if we pull back, major pullback, it's going to be nasty.
Well, we got 3 minutes till this 30 closes, so I don't see this one. I don't see this one flipping bullish, so I could see it coming back down, at least to fill that wick a little bit, and then the next one flipping.
Yeah, I'm expecting one more push. So, yeah.
To the downside?
Yeah, I was expecting one more push, but I think I'm just being greedy.
Yeah, no, I mean, I agree with you. I thought it was going to come to target too, but now that I look at it on a higher time frame, I think that this is actually an area that we need to keep a close eye on.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, this area, yeah. This is gonna be a key area.
Yeah, I mean, until you said that, I didn't even really look to the left and see this area. I just thought it was gonna come down to like the first target, like 143,900 area.
Well, that's what we all here for.
Yeah.
On 30. I say 143,900. Yeah, that's the next target.
That was
Might
a nice
range.
trade, though.
Yeah, because my TP was 980. 143,980. That should barely miss that.
Oh, dang, that was about 2 pips.
Yeah. So I'm gonna just see if my runner hits it.
Yeah, I mean, it's 50-50 right here. I would just... where's your stop loss at?
This song is killing it right now. We got some nasty beats.
Yeah, I have it above the previous 30 minute. Because we just started a new one, so the...
Oh, okay, so you're up in that zone then, like around 170, the area that we broke.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, even to be safe, you could drop it to above the 15 minute. But, I mean, that's totally up to you. I don't know what you still think it's going to be doing.
Alright, I'm gonna get off for a bit and get some dinner, but I'll be back on.
Okay.
Ever. Yeah, I see the 15. I could put it above that bullish wick. That's where I'll probably move my stop next.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. This is gonna continue there, and then your stops are above there. At least you're securing a little bit more profit.
Yeah.
I don't know though. I think this closes bullish. This could be some nasty buys if we can just break both these zones.
And my phone is taking forever to charge. Holy cow. Hmm. Hey, boo.
For some reason, my phone can't record video. Really annoying.
You need to upgrade, bro.
Yeah, I know. I've had this S7 since like January, February of 2018. So like basically 2 years. But like it just happened like within this past couple days. We go to Instagram, try to record a story, because the video is too short. Doesn't make sense. So I tried it on my the camera, just like on my phone itself, and it said like unable to record. So it's confused.
I still gotta go to cardio later. Yeah, Max, I still think we could see. Oh yeah, it is dropping. I think it could still go to 942. But I don't know how much lower it will drop from there. Target for GJ was 942. Mr. Phil, we already entered and exited 10 to 20 pips. So it's a waiting game now. Dallas, how long ago? Oh, you sent your chart a while ago.
Yeah, I never know if to send it on the Zoom thing or.
No, I can't open it on Zoom. See you there, Morpheus. Thanks for coming.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, that trade took me 9 minutes.
Yeah, I think it took me about 5 or 10. Yep.
That's how I want every trade to go.
Yeah, I wish. My trade this morning took an hour and a half.
You know, there's sometimes that I think it's just me. You know, like I miss that trade. It goes 9 minutes. The trade went the other night goes 6 hours. Like, come on.
Yeah. I'm gonna mark this up for Instagram.
Paul, you know that Q class?
Yeah.
I had to put my account on freeze for a couple months because like I just don't have time. So like I'll be like returning like in May, I guess, but I just like with this trading and my job at this time of year,
Super
like I
busy.
just don't have time to like allot like an hour of my time at a scheduled. You know, like I have to go to the gym when I can go to the gym, not when there's like a class schedule. You know.
Yeah, I feel you.
These days, I'm unhappy about it, but it's like $90 a month. It's a lot of money.
Damn, that's expensive.
Yeah.
No, I don't. I'm not in a GJ buy right now. I just put this up to take the picture so Instagram knew what we did for Asian session. Alright, there's proof I actually took the trade and actually closed where I said. Damn. Yeah, I'm thinking that's gonna rip up 2 cats. I think if this 30-minute closes bullish, buys up are gonna be whew, nasty. Got up to 112 likes, that's awesome. What are you doing, Mike?
I don't know, dude. I'm bored.
Yeah, these buys are gonna be nasty.
Somebody said GJ buys, so I was like, alright, GJ buys, GJ buys, GJ buys, and then somebody said no confirmation for buys. I was like, alright, then GJ sells, GJ sells.
Yeah, there's no buy confirmation yet. There might be in 19 minutes.
There's really no confirmation on anything. You need to wait for a 30.
Yeah, I wouldn't like if the hourly would close bearish though.
Yeah.
That would put me off a little bit. Yeah, the music's banging tonight, Sam. We got some good stuff going on. 'Cause, I mean, I'm looking at the hourly, and I don't see anything on the hourly till like at the very 143.970, which we didn't hit yet. But I think it should tap the bodies, which is 143.890 area, 886, and we have not come down there. So I think there's still going to be.
Yeah, I think it's going to form some sort of resistance.
I mean, 4 hour. Let's see what that.
Yeah, but you're right though.
I mean, it did hit the 4 hour level, but I feel like we should hit the hourly as well. Because on the 4 hour, we'll just end up being a wick. But then this would also be the 4 hour close. So if the 4 hour close is above, I think the next 30 minute would be our best bet, not this 30 minute.
Yeah, so you're saying this 30 minute is also going to be, well, 18 minutes left. This is going to close the 4 hour.
Yep.
It's going to be bearish. It's going to be above those wicks to the left. Then we're going to have the next 30 to drop down, and then our flip will be to continue going bullish.
Yep.
Okay, I got you. Yeah, unless this 30 just starts flying up, then I mean we could have a flip earlier.
Very true. But then we also have a 4 hour wick, so we should come down a little bit and then get the bullish candle.
Yeah, you have a 4 hour wick, but then also you got to think about that wick on the top. So I mean, you can leave this wick on the bottom, right? and then just go to fill that within the top.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, looking at the daily, you already made a bottom wick.
Yep.
I used to trade off the day cap.
I would take the 4 hour over the 1 hour. I think just higher time frame, higher confirmation.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
If this 4 hour closes in 17 minutes above 144.076, that would be further confirmation for it to go up.
I can see DJ going to the 144, 402 area.
Yeah. I think so too.
Yeah, that's where my take profit would be. That's target 1.
I'm doing this based off the day time frame though.
Yep.
Because the daily just opened and pulled down, made the bottom wick right on top of. Yeah, and it did tap into that little bullish wick that came up as well. Yeah.
So what time do the daily candles open and close? Does anyone know?
The daily opens at, I want to say 4:30 Central Time.
Yeah, Central it opens at 4 p.m. Central Time.
Okay.
Okay, 4 p.m. Central. So it basically is 5 to 5 my time.
Yep.
Okay, I'm Eastern. That's 5 for me.
Yep.
Yeah, every time I enter, I wait till around 4 to enter based off the new open of the daily candle.
Yeah.
So what were y'all saying about the daily time frame?
I just like to trade in a daily time frame just because I'm very busy, so it's easy for me to do swing trades.
Oh, makes sense.
So I go in, I trade Ian a lot, so I go in about 50, 60 cents, come back a few hours, make like 40, 50 bucks easily, just I'll go from there.
Where are you from, Kurt, in EXT?
I'm in Florida.
Oh, okay, nice. What part?
I'm in Fort Lauderdale.
Ooh.
Yo, everybody is from Florida, yo.
We are missing out. We need to get down there ASAP.
I know, man.
It's cold.
Everyone retires in Florida too.
No, bro. It is not cold there. It's 16 out right now. It is not cold there. I don't care if it's cold. It's 16 here.
Yeah, it's like 30 here.
Man. What? 16? Oh man.
Yeah, man.
It was like 43 this morning. I was bad.
Huh?
I be running around without a shirt on right now.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'll be running around without clothes on.
Well, if this 30 flips bullish, would this count as your bearish, as your bullish flip theory or no?
Technically, yes, but because it is a 4-hour close, I would not take it. Yep, just because I want to see if the 4-hour goes down and makes a lower low. If not, and it goes bullish, then yes, then I like it 100%.
So do you give yourself like a buffer time of like a half hour, 1 hour between 4-hour closes and opens to do that?
Yeah, so I don't like the last 30 minutes of the 4-hour or the first 30 minutes of the 4-hour.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Rounded bottom.
Ooh, we hit 115 likes. That's awesome. Sweet.
You plan on adding any like instructional videos to your playlist, Paul?
Yeah. I just want to I need to have better internet because then I can have better quality and the videos won't lag as much or at all. Because even when I record them just off of Zoom, they're really laggy. I don't like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to go get me a new laptop. Or a desktop. I don't have any room for a desktop right now.
I mean, if you get a gaming laptop, that'll be fast enough for sure. Then you can trade wherever you go. You don't have to be at like a home office, but I have to live stream from a home office, so desktop made sense. But I have a laptop as well too.
Yeah, in theory, I want to be able to travel, so I want to get that and like a few monitors or whatever, and just be mobile, and get me like a mobile Wi-Fi.
That'd be pretty
Be able
cool.
to set up wherever I want to go. I could just go out for coffee and just set up real quick.
Just set up in the coffee shop, bring your monitors, your desktop. That'd be wild.
That's like I'm trying to live outside just for time freedom.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And be able to do what I want to do. Right now, I go to work. I wake up like 3 in the morning.
Damn, bro. Dude. That's hustle. Yep. Yeah, I mean, I get up early most days as well. But, yeah, no, I just want this to be able to make my girlfriend not have to work all the time or worry about money ever.
Right.
Because if she could just be home all day and, like, I'll do my thing, she can do her thing, but then, like, it's not like she's got to get up and go to work and she's gone all day. It's just like, she's doing her thing, I'm doing my thing. If we have nothing to do, we can just do our thing together. Kind of stuff like that. If we want to go travel, go on a vacation, and I'm not streaming, then we can go do that. Like, just kind of live life on our terms.
Right. What instructional videos, making residuals.
Yep. Yeah, that's why I mean, YouTube's cool. We get to stream, help people. If it brings in some sort of extra income in the future, like, that'd be cool. If not, I'm gonna keep doing it because it's fun and I like trading. So, but yeah, no, I mean, yeah, getting rich from trading and being able to buy fancy cars and live in penthouses and do just like have jets and just do ridiculous stuff, like, that'd be really cool to do. But if we just stayed in our apartment we're going to in a week, we had cars paid off, no debt, no credit card bills, like, that would be totally fine with me. We had money to travel whenever we want, and money wasn't an issue. Not rich by any means, but we just don't have anything to worry about. We can just kind of do whatever we want whenever we want. That's kind of the goal for me. If I end up getting to, like, that super bougie, rich, luxury lifestyle, I mean, that's cool, but that's not the goal. The goal is just to be free.
I agree.
Yeah.
Because, like, Sakeem, how cool would it be for, like, your kids? Your kids don't have to worry about paying for college. You got it all taken care of. Your wife can stay home with the kids all day. You can be home with the kids all day. You never miss, like, sporting events or activities. Like that's what we're all after. Yeah. Like, whether you have a Lamborghini or a minivan, I mean, if you have a minivan and all you gotta do is come hang out with us on stream 5 nights a week for a couple hours, like, that's probably better than 95% of the people at that school. Like a minivan or a Lamborghini, you know?
Yeah, it's cool to splurge, but they'll mess up their heads thinking like that's what it's all about all the time. You never really see the stories where people that just trade and make good money and just have a normal life.
Yeah.
No debts, nothing, you know?
Yeah, that's... People overlook. I don't think people take that into account. All they think about with trading is penthouses, Lambos, private jets, fancy girls and parties and all that kind of stuff. But, like, if you think about it in terms of real life, like, could you imagine just getting up in the morning, taking a trade, making your money, and then going back to bed and getting up whenever you want, or not getting up till the next day when you trade? Like, you could do that.
Imagine laying right there, not even getting up, just making the trade right there from home.
Yeah, while you're in bed. Yeah, I mean, that too. I mean, you could do whatever you want. That's kind of the cool part about it. Like, yeah, you could eventually turn it into some serious, like, stupid money to where you're just going and doing whatever you want. But I think if you just take it in, like, that realistic approach of your significant other, wife, husband doesn't have to work, you don't have to work, your kids don't have to worry about paying for anything, like, you're pretty much living, that's kind of the dream.
Yep.
I want a Lambo minivan combo. Oh god, they have a Lambo SUV. Jesus Christ. Yeah. So if this candle closes bearish, I would like that better than closing bullish. Because if it doesn't make a lower low and it closes kind of like it is, maybe a little lower with the body, but it doesn't make a lower wick, and then the next bullish candle doesn't make a lower low, and we close bullish, I think that's going to be our best case scenario. Sounds very echoey. I haven't heard that all night, and we had almost 200 people here, so that might be here. And the only thing that will be echoey is the other people talking, and that's because it's playing through a speaker. I'm echoing, or the other people talking are echoing? Huh. I don't know if that's my echo. I don't know why I would be echoing. It's been fine all week. I didn't change anything. That's weird.
Maybe it's on YouTube then, because you're not echoing on mine on Zoom.
Yeah, this is gonna be a nice sell.
Sell? What do you mean?
I'm looking at the I can't, me and you, I use Phipps.
Yeah.
So it's tapped 3 times between the golden zone between the 50 and the 618. It's tapped 3 times. This is the 3rd tap. So we can go down. If we tap one more time in the same range right here, because whenever you look left, you zoom out, you look left. There's 3 taps in the same zone right here. So right now we coming down on the 4-hour chart. We could possibly hit, I'm saying 143.750, and then 143.278. Those are my levels. And then if we come back up at least to 144.3, we're gonna have a big push down to like 141.
Okay.
141.0.
Okay. Hey, is the sound better? There's a mic aux and there's an audio input capture. I wonder if that was what the echoing was. So is it better now? As it should be. It's a really good mic. It shouldn't be echoing. And I did just add a new overlay, and that did change my sound settings, so that could be it. Oh yeah,
So
I probably got to go back in and change.
Short term, I'm pushing for buys.
Yep.
But since we haven't broken this high of 147 or at least 146, I'm gonna be looking for big sales on the higher time frame.
Yeah, if we get below 942, we are gonna die. Okay, yeah, sweet. So it was just picking up my audio and everyone else's audio twice, because there was already a mic aux option, but this new overlay I added to the stream, it had I added an audio input capture as well. So, okay, sweet. Yeah, all I had to do was mute that. That was perfect. I was gonna say my mic better not be broken. It's only like 2 months old. Not even, it's like a month old. Here comes a newbie question. So once we enter a sell, how do you pinpoint your target? So I'm not looking to enter a sell. The only thing I would be looking for is buys. But I can go over that. So pinpoint your target. So your target, I would just look for. If you're looking for a buy, I would take a buy up to the next resistance you would run into. For a sell, I would look for the next kind of support or resistance area you would run into. And Jay Holmes, oh yeah. So on February 2nd, we will be in 1080. It used to be on the stream, but I changed it today. So February 2nd, we will be in 1080p. We will be pulling up charts. We'll be flipping through different charts. Just with the stream, it kind of uses all of my internet bandwidth at once, and doesn't leave me with really anything. So even just flipping through time frames has been difficult today. But
Hey Paul,
one more week. Yo.
you think I could share my chart so I could show you what I'm talking about?
Yeah, send it to me on Telegram. I'll pull it up.
Okay.
In the future, you'll be able to drop it in Zoom, and I'll be able to click it. Or you'll be able to just draw on my chart. But I need a better.
Oh, right now I wouldn't be able to share my chart like I did yesterday.
No, not yet, not on here. But in once I move, February 2nd, when we start on Sunday, you'll be able to. You won't be able to share your screen, but you'll be able to draw on my screen.
Okay. All right. Fuck, I don't have Telegram on my computer yet.
Yep. Sonny, what was your question? Cameron, I'll answer your question as well. Sonny, if you can send your question again. I don't see a question. Oh, wait, hold on. How many months did it take to get over rookie mistakes and consistent profits? It took about 9 to 10 months, and I still occasionally make mistakes. I feel like that's just part of the game. You just have to not let it get to you. So it's just about getting a little bit better every single day. So like last week, at the end of the week, myself and the private group, we kind of analyzed what happened throughout the week, and I went 2 for 2 on hourly trades, either 4 for 4 or 5 for 5 on 30-minute entries, and then on the 15-minute, I went 1 for 6. So this week I'm not taking any 15-minute entries, and I've only lost one, maybe 2 trades so far this week. So I would say just little stuff like that is going to be the best way to do it. Have like weekly goals, daily goals, and just try to get a little bit better every day, get a little bit better every week, every month, and you'll continue to get better and slowly work out those kind of rookie mistakes. But everyone makes mistakes, so you just gotta, if you take like an entry you're not supposed to take that's not on your plan, just make sure your next entry you take is on your plan. Don't let it get to you, and don't throw another trade in because you're mad. Stuff like that. If anyone has any more questions ever, you can always message me on Instagram. I reply to everything. I'm literally on my phone all day. And then Cameron. So the reason we took this trade. So first of all, we have a high up here, right? And then this is kind of like a low. We made a lower low, lower than here. This was our previous high. Now we have a lower high. So we kind of have, you could say, like a short-term downtrend kind of happening. We have a bunch of bearish candles. We're kind of trending down. Like I said, short-term. We have these wicks up here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks going to the upside, rejecting. And then we closed, this candle closed below our low. So we made a low, we made a lower high. Now the next thing we need is another lower low, which should come down somewhere in here. So that was the idea with getting a low and then a lower high. If we close below the low, we should make a lower low. Same thing vice versa for buys. If you're making higher lows and higher highs, if you make a higher low and you close above the high, you should make a higher high, and then you'll eventually make a higher low. But yeah, now if this candle goes bullish, that's going to be, I want to see a little bit more of a wick down, but not too low, not below the 4-hour low, maybe not even below this 30-minute, but a bullish candle closing, and then I think buys up are going to be super, super good. So, and if looking at higher lows and stuff like that is too confusing, I would say definitely study that because that's important. But if you just mark some zones, like we have a zone here and a zone here, wait for it to close above or below one of those and take a trade, and at the end of the day you're going to be profitable long term. Just keeping it simple like that. I like LMFX a lot. I just switched about a week ago, and everything's going pretty smoothly. Yeah, exactly, Sam. Newbies are always welcome. Now you gotta start somewhere. I would even say in the big scheme of things, I'm still a newbie. I'm only not even 2 years in yet. So compared to like Rakeel, Ted, Iron Man, guys like that, they've been doing it for way longer than me. So we're all newbies at some point. But LMFX has been my favorite so far. The spreads are phenomenal with a zero account. Commissions are not bad at all. You practically don't have a spread for the most part. And deposits are super quick. And I'm assuming withdrawals are going to be super quick. Which I'll find out in the next week or two whenever I do that. But, I mean, so far so good. Any info I can get to? Oh, okay. Carlos, were you the one looking at for the simulator? Yep. Speaking to Gold about. Oh, here. I think it's Iron Man Trading, I think that's his Instagram. Let me check.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
For 7.
Yep.
I'm actually in a buy right now on US 30.
How come you trade US 30?
Are you giving out my
Lose
Instagram account?
hundreds of pips in a day.
It's just really volatile. I would be careful. What's up, Iron Man?
My wife's not home yet, so I can drop back in.
Oh no, some guy wanted to contact you and talk and pick your brain about gold.
Oh, I like to be incognito.
Stop. You're in the stream. You don't get that luxury.
You know I don't. I'm lying to you.
Yep. You withdrew that right when you joined the stream. Oh, I gotta remember to change the giveaway as well.
I like to say the F word a lot on my Instagram feed, though. So if anyone doesn't like that, you're gonna have to deal with it.
I just need a piece of. Oh, here we go. Flashcards. Yeah, if we get this bullish close, I'll probably take it and risk what I made on the runner.
So, Dean, you've heard some of my rants, right?
Yeah, you crazy, man.
Yeah, you're crazy, man. I love it.
Yeah, gold just dropped. Jesus, man.
Where's it at? 59 or something?
Oh, gold's dropping. GJ's going up then. Look at that. Perfect timing.
Where's gold at?
I don't know. I don't look at it. Yep, you're welcome, Sonny.
See, it tried to hit that 62, right? It tried to break clean above that 62. It couldn't do it. It's going to have to wind up again. It's going to have to go down again and make another run up at it.
Oh, okay, so I didn't answer the question. Is 10 pips... Oh, okay. So, basically, today I did 3 positions. So, I closed those first 2 positions immediately when they hit 10 pips. It was like 10 pips and 10.5 pips. Or 10.5 and 10.8 pips, I think. And then I set my runner to break even immediately after that. And then I closed the runner at 12 pips. My initial target was down here. But because of how it was struggling up here, Normally when GJ goes. It shouldn't have struggled here for the entire last 28 minutes of the half hour because it fell all the way down to here in about 2 minutes tops, maybe even less than a minute. And then to stall here for the last 28, as soon as it pushed to 12, I closed that. But normally I will let it run. I try to let my runner go to target. I don't always have the discipline to just hold the runner and let it go to target. I'm working on that. But that's the idea, is once I hit 10 pips, I'll close 1 or 2 positions and let one go at break even to target. If it doesn't go to target, I secured what I wanted to make for the day, and the runner will either make me extra money or it won't. So it doesn't really matter in that aspect. But 10 pips is what I like to target and close right away. So much content on the internet regarding trading. Oh yeah, thanks Juan. Maiden Grace. Perfect buy. Perfect.
I'll send you my analysis on Telegram. I have it on my computer.
Okay. Yeah, Juan, you can chill out or be banned. I think banned is probably the best option. What do you guys think?
I haven't seen what he's been doing. I don't want to I won't give him the
he or
benefit of the
she,
doubt.
whatever it is advertising and trying to scam. So.
Oh, ban him.
Yeah, I gotta go onto YouTube and I will. I can't do it from Streamlabs. That's kind of unfortunate. Yeah, Juan is a spam. I think, maybe. Wait. Yeah, no, that's a spam. Yeah, don't worry about Juan. Will the lunch break in Asian affect volume for a bullish push? No. So if you remember the sells we took on Sunday, or no, what it was was it Sakeem? Was that yesterday when I missed the sells and then we caught the buys? Or was that two? Okay, so yesterday when I think it was yesterday or the day before.
Yeah, yesterday was sells.
Yep. So when GJ fell yesterday and I took buys and lost. After it fell those 40 pips or whatever, we got bullish candles and it was about, what would you say, like 8:30, 9 o'clock, Sakeem?
Yeah.
So it was about 8:30. It was like right when the new 4-hour opened, and it took off like 20, 30 pips pretty quick. Who's Maiden Grace? Yeah, not to be rude, but nobody really cares about Maiden Grace and her perfect basis. There's no such thing as a perfect way to trade, so unless that's a real person and I'm confused, but there's been a lot of random comments saying that people need to trade with this person because they made you so much money. But if they made you so much money, why are you on here telling us about it and not out spending all that money they made you? You know what I'm saying?
It's nothing to worry about.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. Yeah, they're getting real crafty. I think Rhonda might be spam as well. They got a group in here. They're like, oh yeah, I'll come and promote it. You come in and validate it, and then we'll scam a bunch of people. Yeah, see you later, Blunt. Yeah, I hope I answered the question, Matt and Cameron. And yeah, Sam, I do think Juan and Rhonda are spam. If not, they didn't really bring any value, so I don't really care if I lose 2 viewers. So Rhonda, if you're spam, I'm sorry. You'll have to make a new account and come back and not post stupid stuff. I should say. I don't know if I can swear on the YouTube monetization rules, so I'm gonna try to stop.
I don't really think so, to be honest.
Well, I don't have it marked as kid friendly, so I'm hoping they still approve me. They said they'll get back to me in less than a month. Yeah, I figured it was spam, but when they asked how it was spam, I figured the robot wouldn't have known to say that. Yeah. Sorry guys, I ruined your chance for the minivan Lambo combo. I'm really sorry. Sir Robin or Mr. John Green, yeah, they've been posting in the comments on every video. Do not.
He says if she pass out Lambo minivans, I'll sign up.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't sure if swearing would hurt YouTube, but I gotta stop. Yeah, that's exactly it, Norman. They'll manage our account. Yeah, I've had someone message me yesterday on Instagram, and she said she was this phenomenal analyst, and that she would manage my account and make me rich. But her analysis was so good, she wasn't capable of analyzing my Instagram, or reading my bio, or looking at a picture, and realizing that I already trade, and I trade live, so I'm probably okay. Wow, nice job, Norman. There's a perfect way to trade. It's wait for price to get down to that perfect level you marked, create support, and grab it. Yeah, I would say there's smart ways to trade. I don't know if I would say perfect, though. I feel like that's just the wrong word. I almost swore there, Sam. Yeah, I was trying. It's going to be... I always swear. I'm a passionate person, so when I feel something, I just say it. So it's going to be tough.
You know, I actually read something. They said the smartest, most educated people actually swear more often than non.
I've heard that as well. That's what I like to tell myself.
Yeah, me too. I kind of catch myself a lot. I'm like, dang, man, I need to stop cussing so much.
Yeah, I'm gonna be pretty upset if YouTube says, yeah, we can't monetize you because you swear. I'm gonna be a little butthurt.
Well, I mean, Rakil swears on his, and Ted does all the time. Every time Ted comes on, he's throwing like an F-bomb, so...
Oh, okay. I'll try to minimize it.
Bro, Ted will pop in out of nowhere and be like, these effing people are stupid, and just start going crazy. He'll go on a 45-minute rant about just, like, people going crazy on the chat, like, ignorant people asking dumb questions, and he'll swear, like, every other word, so I think it's alright.
Yeah, okay. I'll see. They said they'd get back to me in less than a month, so hopefully in the next couple weeks I'll get an answer, and if my swearing's okay, I'm gonna rock with it, because that's me. I don't wanna be advertising a fake version, and you gotta get the real me or none of me. Yeah, I agree, Sam. Censored text, no swearing. It'd be kind of boring. Yeah, Kat, I think you can definitely reach those goals. You just gotta, I have no idea what your mindset is like, but that's gonna be the determining factor if you do make it or not.
So if I send you a screenshot, if I send you my chart, is it gonna be like a link or a screenshot? How will you be able to zoom in all around it? Or how do I do it?
I don't think I'll be able to zoom in, but I'll be able to pull it up and we'll get a clear visual of it.
Okay. Should I send you the 4 hour? The bigger, because really my sell basis would be off the 4 hour, but current is bullish.
Yeah, just send whatever chart you want me to see. If there's a couple different charts, I'll open up like 2 or 3.
Alright, so how do I do it?
Just send the. Are you on?
The link?
Are you on TradingView?
TradingView, yeah.
So you see the little camera up in the top right?
Yeah.
Click that, click copy, and then just post the link in the private group, and I'll open it up. Excuse me. Yeah. I tend to not get on people's case about dumb questions unless it's having to do with how much I make, because that's not really, that doesn't teach anyone anything. What about those wicks on the 15 min? Do you care about those? Nope. So yeah, I would just be worried about the 30 minute. So these candles came down really nice. This wick isn't, I don't see this as a rejection. I see that as just telling us where price is going. But these candles kind of covered that up. So these candles are going to be what I see in terms of coming up. Plus this could be the low of the daily candle. And then we will be heading up, and this is where, this is kind of where the flip of the daily would happen. So we might get an issue up in like the 300 area. But I do think overall we should be continuing up and above 144, 450. Oh, hi. Hi, boo. You want to be on the stream? Can you speak? Meow. Speak. Boo, speak. He's camera shy. Yeah, Noah, if you want in, I don't have Twitter. I can't post a link in here, so if you get Instagram, or if you have Telegram, message me on Telegram, then I can send you the link. Telegram's the same as my Instagram. So when it asks for the username, just type in Paul Widener 94, like it says on the screen, and I will send you the link. But no, Johnny, I'm not worried about those wicks.
I dropped it in the chat, bro.
Okay, I'll pull it up. Man, we're down to 88 people now. We're about to get the best move of the night.
Yeah, waiting on the flip.
Yep, yeah, no problem, Noah. Alright, so this is Kurt's analysis. So he's seeing daily resistance up here. That makes perfect sense.
It's not flipped yet on YouTube.
What hasn't?
Well, I'm still looking at your chart on YouTube.
The stream's got a delay, man.
Yeah.
So we're on the Zoom. He's got a delay.
Oh, okay.
You'll see it in like 30 seconds.
Yeah, there's like a minute delay on here. It won't let me do anything about it. Yeah. So that bullish candle though, it closed above your resistance. So these candles are retesting, and unless this daily closes below, I think we will be continuing up. So is that what you're saying, or what?
Yeah, I think short term we're bullish, yeah. But I think I just think it's a big, not big, but it's a possibility of coming down to 141. I think that's a possible.
141, yeah. I don't think we're gonna drop that low, because then we kind of break the entire bullish structure.
And that's a golden zone. That's a fib zone off the weekly chart, I think.
Okay.
And we rejected 3 times off of it. That's why I say it's a possible sell.
Yeah, I mean,
because we haven't had any big push. You see those big pushes down? We haven't had that much momentum up yet. It's just little drives.
I mean, we've had one.
It's a possible down.
Yeah, I mean, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good bullish candles going up, and we closed above that daily resistance that we haven't been able to close above. So that's why I would say short term would be sell, long term is buy. Because if you look at the weekly and the monthly, we do have to get up to those weekly resistances you have. So that most recent daily bullish candle If you map out where it closed above the previous times we were up here. I think if we were gonna come down, it shouldn't have did that. But if we get a bearish close back below, then I definitely think we could head down to that maybe TP1, maybe. I would say probably better 650 would be a better area to come down to, and then we'll retest that level and then continue up and make higher highs and higher lows. But it just depends on where this daily closes. And since the past two have closed above, I think this is just a wick down at the daily open to then come back up. But like I said, it's going to depend on where we close. So it could definitely go either way. I just don't think that bullish one would have closed the way it did if it wanted to come back down.
Okay.
That's all. Once we get the one-on-one in, we'll get more into it and break it down.
Yeah, I think mostly what you're saying is you wanted to confirm and prove to you first that it's gonna head down.
What's up? You cut out. I didn't hear much of that.
Yeah, it was lagging. Bro.
Oh, I think what he was saying that he just wants it to prove.
Yep, I got you now. I'm gonna send it right now.
Same thing again, bro. I don't think something going on with your phone or something. Like you lagged out or something. Yeah, I can't hear nothing.
Yeah, I think his mic just cut out.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah, my bad.
No, you good. What were you saying?
I think that you were just saying that you wanted to prove to you first and prove that it's going down. Like you wanted to set up for that perspective first.
Yeah, exactly. Because I don't think we should have had that bullish close if we were going to come down. That's all. There you go. No, I sent you the link. If you are... Your name's different, but that's you. Then you're all set. I'm going to go close this window real quick. I will be right back. Hopefully we get that bullish close and it's kind of rejecting that area. We'll see what happens.
Yo, Paul. Paul.
Yo.
You'd want to wait another half hour, right, for your flip theory?
Depending on the... Well, no, because this was 8:30. Yeah, no, I just want to see a little bit of a stronger close. Yeah. Yeah, Sam, I'm always pretty warm, so I like the window open to keep me cool. Body temperature runs kind of warm. And it's like 20 something out here. It's not 8. It's 8 where Mike is at.
Whoa, 20 something, bro?
It's not very nice out right now.
down here, like it was what 43 today, and all of the lizards are like falling out of the trees and stuff. Because you know they all warm blooded.
That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, bud, I got you. No problem. Appreciate it. Yeah, this candle's really struggling to go down, so if this one doesn't break the low of the 4 hour and it closes bearish, I think the next one's going to be our candle. What should be in my bio, Sam? Yeah, let's fall off trees, yeah. I should have in my bio that my body temperature runs warm. No, it was a cool story. I never knew that. Oh, that I'm pretty warm, yeah. No, that's too personal. Only you guys get that kind of information. So if this one doesn't give us that bullish close, the next one, and we don't continue down with a good bearish close, then the next one should be a good confirmation that the down move is over and we're going to go back up and test the high. Or at least make another higher low, which would still be a nice move to the upside. Yeah, because that looks pretty weak. It didn't even break the 4 hour low. Yeah, I'll wait one more candle, and then if it doesn't give us that bullish close, I'm going to go do my cardio.
Damn, a lot of people must have taken that trade a little while ago. We dropped to 83 viewers now.
Yeah, everyone bounced. They got the bag and they got out.
Pips and out. Here we go.
Yep. I think this will be our bullish close to go up.
Yeah, I hope so. I'd like to get a little trade in here. If not, no big deal, but still.
Damn, I still gotta study and do some insurance test stuff today. I'm gonna go do 30 minutes of cardio. Wow. Funnier, I haven't looked at UJ, so I'm not sure. If you're in Telegram and you send your chart, then I can pull it up. Alright, gotcha, Funnier. Yeah, if you send it, I'll pull it up, but if you gotta bounce, that's all good. Man. Tired and hungry. Yeah, I feel that, Mary. I still got a long night ahead of me. Yeah, I think this candle's gonna be the one. Then we got 3 candles that tried to go down and couldn't. Got a bullish close, so we should head up. Yep, no problem. Almost hit the 200 count tonight, though. The target is, I don't know, I'll probably close something at 187 and maybe let a runner go. Depends on how quick it moves or doesn't move. Yep, that's kind of what I'm thinking, Barker. 10, 15 pips maybe, and then just take it and get out and go to the gym. I like that. So one of my friends put up a post that says kindness, loaning someone your strength instead of reminding them of their weakness. That's pretty neat. Buy stuff on GJ. Alright, sounds good, Chandler. See you later. See you later, funnier. See you guys tomorrow. Yep, yeah, Gurjat. Looking for a buy if we close bullish here. Yeah, as long as we get a higher low and a bullish close, I think we're going to be good. Ooh, wait. 4-hour close below. Interesting. It's alright, we're going to trade the candles, trade what we see.
What do you mean the 4-hour close below?
Look at the 4-hour, it closed below the resistance.
Oh, yeah, I know, that's what I was looking at as well.
Almar, how do I manage the gym and trading? I have not been getting a ton of sleep lately, but I just enjoy both of them so much that it keeps me motivated to keep doing it, I guess. It doesn't feel like something I have to do. It's something I really, really want to do. So like every day I wake up early in the morning because I'm super excited to trade and super excited to eat my oatmeal and go to the gym, and then super excited to come and stream Asian sessions. So I don't know, I just like doing it. Oh god, that's not good. think I might be injured. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a phone call later tonight. Yeah, that makes sense, cats. Gotta do what you're comfortable with. That's how you're gonna make money. But this would fit my candle flip theory. So as long as we got some momentum to carry us through. Oh, Sakim. I got that book. I've been listening to it today.
Which one?
The Napoleon one. Think and Grow Rich.
Oh yeah. That's a must read.
Yeah, it's super. It's an audiobook, but it's so good so far. Yeah, thanks, Argo. I mean, it's fun for me. So if you guys are learning too, that's just even better. Yeah. Well, did you got any favorite parts of the book, Sakim? That doesn't ruin it for me. If you tell me.
Yeah, pretty much run it.
Oh, dang it. Okay.
Yeah. And outliers is basically like the 10,000 hour rule, stuff like that.
Yep. Yeah, I've heard that. That's when you become. That's when you've mastered something. Is 10,000 hours or 10 years.
Yeah.
Yep.
Bro, you cannot go wrong with that book. Trust me.
I'm excited. I'm gonna listen to it while I do cardio till I finish it, and then maybe listen to it again.
Yeah, you gotta go through it a couple of times. I watched a lot of YouTube videos. That's how I found you.
Yeah,
but,
really?
Yeah, and plus then I end up seeing you on Instagram too. Just confluence.
that was your confluence. That's perfect.
So yeah, I've set up a few times, but a lot of people mention that book.
Yeah, I've never heard of it till yesterday when Sakim was telling me about it, and I'm like super big into all that kind of stuff. And I search something a couple times a week, and that's never came up once. I was surprised.
Oh, I could put you on a few books if you like that type of stuff.
Oh yeah, definitely send them to me on Telegram, or text me. That works too. And then, cause yeah, once I finish that book, I'll listen to another one. So. Oh, you got the Trading in the Zone one? Yeah, how is it, Damien? I didn't, I only listened to the first, 45 minutes of it. The narrator kind of was boring me. So when you finish it, let me know how you like it. But yeah, Kurt, definitely send those, because that's kind of my thing. Gotta keep that mind right, or you'll lose in the long game.
There's another book called The Power of the Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murray.
Okay.
You ever heard of that one?
No, but I've read or listened to. I don't read. I've listened to, The Power of Now, and.
By Eckhart Tolle. Yeah, that's a great book. Yeah.
It was okay. I didn't like the narrator. It was kind of boring.
Oh, it was on YouTube, but yeah, I got used to listening to it on YouTube.
Yeah, and then The Power. The Habit of Breaking The Power of the Habit of Breaking Yourself or something like that. That one was pretty good.
Oh, I haven't heard of that one.
I think it's called The Habit of Breaking Yourself.
I gotta check that one out.
Yeah. Ama, we're talking about, what is it called? What's that one called, Sakim? I forgot.
Think and Grow Rich?
Yeah, Think and Go Rich by Napoleon is the one we're talking about. Yeah. Yeah, Damien, let me know if you like that one. I didn't like the narrator for the audiobook, but it could be really beneficial and I could be missing out. So if that's the case, maybe I'll suck it up. So yeah, I wanna.
Really?
Which one did you say was good, Kurt? Power of Now, right?
The Power of Now, yeah.
Okay.
I've been to the law of attraction and like spiritual stuff.
Okay, I
It's
might
about
have
having
to.
that awareness around you, and I brought the subconscious mind too as well.
I might have to force myself to just get used to the reader.
Yeah, then you'll knock out a lot more books because a lot of YouTube books they're like robotic.
Oh, I have audiobooks.com.
Audible.
Yeah, no, the audiobooks.com app. So I get like a couple books a month I can use my credits on.
Oh.
Yeah, because I just do it on my phone while I'm doing cardio or something.
Sounds good to me.
The one thing.
I was just watching on YouTube. I had to come back in Zoom to say confirm that book. Yes.
Yeah. Is that Erdem or yeah? Erdem, what's it all about?
Which book?
The
Think
one.
Grow Rich.
The one thing.
Oh, you reading the comments?
Yeah.
You do you listen to Kevin Trudeau?
No, I might. I don't know the authors too well. Off the top of my head.
Kevin Trudeau, he doesn't have. Well, he has a few books, but you wouldn't want to listen to his seminars. You can start there. I would start there because he recommends a lot of books. That's how start there. Start with Kevin Trudeau. The name of the seminar that you should listen to is called It's Not Been Your Reality. That should be the second one you listen to. The one is, let me look it up on YouTube right now. Because it's 10 hours long though.
Okay. Ooh, that sounds good, Erdem. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna take a screenshot of that on audiobooks. The one thing.
It's called Your Wish is Your Command. It's 13 hours.
Ooh, okay.
By Kevin Trudeau. Start there. He recommends a lot of books. So when he recommends those books, just write them down, and then it'll confirm all the stuff that he's saying. And that book, Think and Grow Rich, is in there, and that's one of the main books what he has.
I'll have to check that out. I got a lot of books to read, and you guys got a lot for me to do. Erdem,
yeah, man.
It did bring up the exact title. So if you have an author and the exact title, because it came up with One Thing You Need to Know by Marcus Buckingham, One Thing That Can Cause You to Fail the Interview Every Time, and then the one thing, it says Wealth Building by Jay Papasan.
Oh, DJ's gonna drop.
It's got to break that low. It's been struggling the whole time. I don't know. We'll see.
What's up, Paul?
Hey, man, you're late.
I know, I just finished work. Because I work at a car dealership, so...
Oh, okay, I got you. That's gotta be pretty fun.
It's
Gary
pretty fun,
Keller.
because I don't do sales, I do the financing part.
Oh, okay. So that's perfect for you.
Exactly. Basically, I was looking at charts when I wasn't busy today. I was waiting for this setup on GU, but it looks like GJ has the same setup.
Yeah, Erdem, that didn't, nothing popped up. Oh, wait. With Jay Papasan. It's only an hour. It says it's all by Jay Papasan. There's no Gary Keller one. Eli Manning announced retirement, yeah.
Yeah, GJ looks like it's about to break.
Yeah, it broke the low now. So, buys are kind of put off for me.
Is it cool to enter a sell?
I don't know. Do you think it is? Where's your target?
Possible. Well, it retested already after that big wick.
Okay.
And then it respected the last two highs. I could possibly wait for a close of this candle and then enter, because it didn't break the wick of that one of at 8 o'clock. It didn't break the 8 o'clock wick. So if it breaks that one after this close, I would enter a sell.
Yep, because in the 4 hour we'll be making a lower low.
Oh, I didn't even check the higher time frame.
Holy, GA is already down 100 pips from the news.
Yeah. So.
Oh yeah, the 4 hour made low.
Blunt, to focus on to get into a trade. There's a couple different things. If it's a breakout, I wait for a 30-minute close below or above support or resistance, and take it to a clean traffic target, or just 10 pips, kind of like today. If I'm just kind of trading with momentum, if I'm trading with upside momentum, I'm gonna wait for a high and then get in at a low when support's formed. Vice versa for a sell. And then I also look at clean traffic candle flips on the 30-minute. So if we have clean traffic going up and we get a good bearish candle that doesn't make a higher high or makes a lower low, then I take that flip, regardless of any zones or other time frames. Same thing for sells.
All right.
Yeah, no problem, Jay. Just trying to help best we can. Oh, man. I don't think this one's going to give us that bullish candle.
Yeah, we don't have any wicks.
Mm-hmm.
Just yet. On the 30-minute channel, on the 30-minute time frame. And we got 10 minutes to close on 30 minutes. Sometimes I don't trust that 15-minute chart.
No, I don't trade 15 at all anymore. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend trading news.
Do all of the GBP pairs, do they like follow each other?
Sometimes. GU and GJ move kind of similar, but I wouldn't trade one based off the other.
Yeah, I agree, because like for example, Paul, you only trade GJ, right?
Yep.
I mean, GJ could be bullish if the yen's pretty weak, but then the USD could be pretty strong. So you gotta take in consideration for the news.
Yep.
I mean, a lot of people think that GA trades the same as like all the other GBP pairs, but look at it right now, like it's not the same.
Over the GA right now.
Were you guys in the stream this morning? Roger streamed this morning?
No.
No, not me.
I had a meeting.
I just woke up and I just went into it, and he was just him and Ted, I think, were talking about UCAD setup, the UCAD buys or whatever for the news, and then I'm just like, nah, I'm gonna sit out on this one. I don't want to trade it. But UCAD flew upwards.
No lie, like every time they trade UCAD, he always be right on that shit.
Yeah, they always. I think they only. I've only seen them trade UCAD when the CAD news comes out. Other than that, I've never seen them trade it.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's broken that 4-hour low yet. So that'd be a good indication to go, if we get a bullish candle, to go up a little bit.
closes above 061. Have the stop below the previous hour. That'd be like almost 6 pips.
Oh, you're in already?
No, I'm not in. I'm just
okay.
Projecting, I guess.
Gotcha.
Hoping that it will happen in the next 7 minutes.
Yeah, I think we should. I think we should close bullish.
I think I'm gonna enter some GU shorts.
Yeah.
We got you there.
Hey, Bill Lloyd, I used to trade GA because I used to swing trade, but now, or I used to scalp, but now I swing trade, so I don't like risky.
You're not serious about trading, be honest with yourself. You're not.
I think I'm already kidding.
Mike, your mic is on.
What's holding you back?
Until I master entries, which I keep doing, I'm doing a lot of back testing more than anything.
Okay.
But what I've noticed is that
I feel like you're in between. You're trying to either be a scalper or a swinger, and you're kind of like in between right now.
no, it's not.
I'm trying to find my feet right now. Am I a scalper or a swinger? Like, because my analysis earlier when I sent you, Paul, that was a swing trade.
Yeah, that was some swing analysis.
It's like swing trading. Well, it's just like you gotta find.
Oh, hold on.
This one is gonna be like in a little bit.
Now that you just said, I'm like, oh, shit.
There. Alright, you can unmute your mic if you guys are talking. Actually, I could have just muted Mike, actually. You're
Well,
in
all
it.
depends on like your lifestyle too, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I pick more like day trading and swing trading now because I don't have time to just look at my phone all the time.
Yeah, you want to just get in and then let it go, do its thing.
But like you have to like take in consideration like your stop losses are gonna be a lot bigger than what you.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Definitely.
Let's see what happens in 3 minutes. If not, I'm gonna go do cardio.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for London.
Yeah, if it doesn't go bullish. I'll be right back.
my bad, boys. My mic was on here. I didn't know that. Just trying to talk some sense into a little buddy here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we all heard.
Yeah, man. This guy's acting like he's ready to trade, but he's not ready to trade. He's out having a cigar and having a beer. And I'm like, dude, come on. You gotta get serious about this. You know what I'm saying? Kind of hoping this 30-minute would flip bullish here, and then we could take a little buy, and then stops would basically below the 4-hour as well, tight stops. But we'll see. We got about a minute, and it's pretty weak right now, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm not liking this.
No, I was liking it, but now it's starting to push down again. I think before the night's over, though, we'll definitely have a buy. I mean, it's continually getting weaker and weaker.
Honestly, I think before the buy, it'll likely go down and fill that 4-hour wick. Grab more liquidity.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean, it's only like 2 or 3 pips away from where it is right now. Yeah, definitely not a fan of this close here, though.
Nope.
I thought this was gonna be it. Damn it. I mean, it's just, like I was saying, it just keeps getting weaker and weaker. But I mean, we're just making those steps down. Hopefully, ride the elevator up.
Yep, next one will do it. Alright, guys. If you're gonna wait on this trade, wait for a bullish close on the 30-minute, and then I think you should get a nice trade to the upside. I'm gonna head off, and we will be back tomorrow. Thanks for coming. If you liked it, press like, subscribe.